Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Yo, I want to. Yo, sometime, you know. Yeah, up the side for that. Pick up my new tambourine. Well, it's not new. Me have a tambourine when me carry go dance with me and when I go perform. But people tell me if they want to. Yeah, if I make up your face so it's a bother you, don't. It loud, don't. Yeah, man, because the other one, them did a weak up the thing. I don't could have bother, you know. Rude. Me and some Mark Wignall write something about me in that paper yesterday. Give me a copy of it, now. Yeah, man, let's get it. Somebody give me a copy of it and think or whatever. Mix up and blender, Way, good afternoon. Okay, turn on my voice a little bit. Everything is a little bit loud here. Check. Right, that's up. No, I didn't drink any coffee today, but I am a little wired, I must admit. The energy level is several notches up there. Want to say good afternoon to you people. My name is Ragashanti. I'm there with a Mixup family. Big up Rooty the Q to the producer, indeed. Large up yourself, Rooty. DJ Chris Cross, the big boom bang selector there. Michelle Patty Belly, you see it up in the place. And of course me, Ragashanti, the principal, the king of Mixup, Mr. Wash Belly. There. Large up on yourself out there and we some Mixup entertainment. I don't know say I laugh sitting we deal with. That is our primary objective here. To give you a release, to make you laugh, to lighten the burden them with the pain, lighten your heavy load where you probably are carry. All kind of crisis and tribulation might depend on you right now. We they have to make you feel better. If your man left you for the new year, they have to make you feel better. If your woman left you for the new year, they have to make you feel better. If your man or your woman are born you and you're going like you don't know, they have to make you feel better. However, if your life are going good and everything all right, we still there to add to it, right? If you're happy, can't do and I used to laugh for a long time, we there to give you some more. You understand how the thing said? We're not going to do pregnancy mixing, but we're not do that again because last week somebody bring up about the take it back thing. So we're going to take it back mix up. Mr. Take it back mix up and Miss Take it back mix up. Richie, if I have a woman take back give anything, I take it back yet. No woman never give nothing, I take it back yet. Chris Grass, a woman never give anything and take it back yet? Nope. No. Michelle, a man never give anything and take it back yet?
Brother.
Your brother give something? What your brother give and take it? Which one, Dan or Papa?
Dan him give me 2 bills to wash him clothes and then him take it back.
Him give 2 bills to wash him clothes and him take it back?
Yeah.
Well, I would because I'm sure the clothes never wash good. Richie, what that? Oh, you can't put the mic. You can't put your headphone up to the mic here. The microphone. You know, understand him. So your brother gave 2 bills to wash him clothes and take it back.
This was years ago though.
No, that's because
I'm
the clothes...
no longer an idiot now.
The clothes never wash good.
It wasn't why.
Junior, Dan, you give me Shelley. Big up Dan because I don't know say I him say fireman. You understand? Large up yourself, my king. Respect maximum. I am done a Rallington talk. No, when I really like people know people.
No, him there yak.
Him there yak, no? Him there yak, no. Carry out the thing. Mad. Anyway, Dan, how you for do that? Oh, you ever give Michelle 2 bills to wash your clothes long time and then after she don't wash them, you take back the money. Dan, you have to add when I do the same thing too. Yo, but tell me now, what is the one thing woman can't give man? And take it back, I was glad to give them back. Don't answer! Okay. We said, what is the one thing woman can't give man? And if them say them want it back away, that I say, yeah, come take it, don't they feel. Do you're rich enough. Me teacher, let me tell you. That mad. But anyway, Mr. Take It Back Mix Up, Miss Take It Back Mix Up, and that way I pray for the new topic and sitting. Well, you don't know, say it's a Monday, so it's all about the blast stuff. Monday, indeed. Yo, what I'm trying to say, here, man? Chop. And this right for there. Tande. Big up IT and Fancy Cat. Big up Johnny with bossy marriage.
Yeah.
Johnny them on him honeymoon. Johnny, oh, you tired, sir? Because I used to burn calories. New husband. Johnny, oh, you tired, sir? Johnny, you have license now. You're married. I used to the sofa angle. I used to dresser, Johnny. I used to on the balcony. I used to on the beach. Watch your son, do? Can't have a way to go. Wait, no, figure. Wait, you say, Chris Craig?
No, but he did it, man, in shop, man.
Yo, on the don't know, say me. I'm the only person big up so much people from other radio station and other media house. Don't know that for a long time. Because I firmly believe, say, if your thing set, it's set. You don't have nothing for fear. If you have your listenership and you do your work and you bring your energy and your vibe, it's set. So I have no problem with big up people from other radio station. I'm going to open glasses, man, no vex with this. But big up Baba Tunde. Baba Tunde the radio against me. You know, I can't really do it because the station allow me to do them things because, you know, competitor and whatever. But me in my own space. But and people are calling and say, Raga the one, Baba Tunde shake Tambourine or they leave Baba Tunde alone. Because Raga rate Baba Tunde. You know, me tell myself, so I stop big up people because people are step bad things about me when I big them up, don't? Like me, they are big them up and them not like me. But anyway, me I say me I big up Baba Tunde because Baba Tunde one of them people who set it for me. I understand. Me always I give thanks to the people and before me from Miss Lou come up from Dulcimina. Big up Monty Perkins' wife who shot Dulcimina upon radio. I look up at me used to listen to that like whoa, big up Pressure Foot and Dulcimina. You don't know them things you don't know them things the belly has. You don't know them things Chris Cross, you don't know them things either. You don't know what I'm saying thing there.
Oh, Dulcimina?
Dulcimina. Country him come from.
You know Dulcimina?
Yeah,
oh, the backside if you know Dulcimina, Chris Cross. Dulcimina come up before you ban.
Him come from country.
Wait, you forgot to grow my granny.
You grow your granny?
Yeah.
So, what is Dulcimina?
No, I grip them on the grip there.
Ah, you see him get mashed up, you know. You see, yeah, man, the grip there Dulcimina, you know. But we are talking about a radio show.
Oh, you are talking about the show?
The show we are talking about.
No, I never hear the
okay, because I know you can't know the show.
No, I hear about ring ding on them thing there.
Miss Lou ring ding, you know about them something there.
I talk about the object.
No, well, we know about the look the grip. That look a brown grip that we carry at Jamaica. It me and Dulcimina mad.
She never know that.
You don't know the brown grip?
No.
You don't know the brown Dulcimina grip? That is like a Jamaican symbol. Oh, you don't know these things, but you know Jason the Ruler, you know all them people and Deuces and Chris Brown, and you don't know the brown Jesus have mercy. Listen to me.
Of course,
I condemn you in the name of Jesus. I condemn you in the name of... Oh, you don't know the brown Dulcimina grip, Michelle? When your mother come out to hospital, where your mother not get surgery?
Them love our company.
No. Public, with all due respect, Mrs. Mighty. Mrs. Mighty was in the bus where crashed at the church from Portmore. And Mrs. Mighty wasn't done a public for how long? Every week from November, every week them tell the woman, tell them I'm going to do the surgery. And them don't do the surgery. And Mrs. Mighty have to come out to hospital, go watch her son get married. And she come back in the hospital.
And she come out for Christmas.
And come out for Christmas.
And going back New Year.
And going back. And I know. Oh, God, man. How we not deal with Mrs. Mighty, so?
Them love our prayer.
Hey!
Yeah.
So, no, man, somebody have to do something for Mrs. Mighty. Public hospital, please. Mrs. Mighty in the hospital too long. See what they can do. Wait, at the Mark with that article is, I so read it because people are, a variety of stories. This is, but you know, some I always read Mark Wignall, you know. All when I'm done with my reading. And thing, because I like Mark Wignall, him straight, and keep it, you know, him talk up things straight. What the topic? Looking up to the drug deal. But what I wrote, you used to work on Newstalk and you're there now, don't? Michelle, you pretty much used to have a Newstalk and you're there now, don't? No, Chris Cross, you used to do a Newstalk and you're there now, don't?
Quite so.
All right, Richard Rainford, we come see you, but you used to work on Newstalk and you're there over here, so no? Who else there who used to work on Ruan used to work on Newstalk, the tech up, don't it? And him there now, don't? Jeremy and Compass used to work on Newstalk, and him there now, don't? Leighton Levy used to work on Newstalk, and him there now, don't?
Yannick.
Oh, Yannick, Papa Jesus. Yannick on the traffic used to work on Newstalk, and she there now, don't? Who else? There has to be more. Oh. No. And to them walk in here, and lo and behold, who me say, can I get a mix of tambourine? Maya Chung is now at Nationwide. Maya Chung, we want to welcome you over here. It looks like everybody I get Nationwide visa. Whoa. Papa Jesus. Yeah, I'm not trying to what part about people. I'm just stating facts, you know. Stating facts, you know. So we don't want about it. But Maya Chung is now formally a member of the Nationwide family. And as a recent acquiree myself, I want to say welcome to Maya. And of course, we know Maya from me there at 102 and CVM. So we know Maya from them days about Maya there in the family right now. Proper respect Maya Chung. Everything is everything. All right. But you really don't know the brown dulce in that suitcase?
Honestly,
You never see it yet?
I can't, honestly, I don't know the name, some don't know if I put it to, like, you know.
Now, at Jamaican people call it dulcime, but in here, grip, we call it grip. Eh? Shabana and Diclock, yeah? But you really don't know it, Pacho?
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know it.
John no star, I'll bring one in there just to show you, because no self-respecting Jamaican, nobody should call himself Jamaican, I don't know it. You see that grip there? That grip that symbolize country people that come at town, you know?
Yeah.
That grip that symbolize when people just go foreign and a hype, you know, man.
Yeah, well, watch the local local sitcom, Titus Come to Town.
Titus Come to Town. And that grip that any skit you look in a festival, let go that for a second. Any skit you see in a festival, and them show you somebody that travel, them always come out with that grip.
With the grip, with that touch.
Always. If you're a pantomime or some big play, and them show you some, you know, whatever, it's a symbol I say, it's not like it's a never circumcision. See if you're glad it's hard. Like you just come at town and a grip there always. Hey, that grip there the maddest thing, man. You see how them people just go England? Remember when them say Jamaican go England and I'm mad when them come back with a grip. Yeah, man. Well, no, sure. John, may I tell you, we need a TV show. We need a TV show, but we're going to start out there. We're going to start out there and see what can. Anyway, it's a blast off Monday. And again, we are telling you, I take you back Mixup. I take you back Mixup at the topic. Again, we are talking about that. We're going to do a different topic, but since it come up last week on the sound I want it, we're going to rinse it. So anybody who give you something and take it back, any mix-up involved, somebody I give something and I take it back. A miss take it back, or Mrs. take it back, or a miss I take it back. We want to mix up them. And if you have any other sample mix-up, when we open the phone line, we want to rinse and blaze. Right? And that we say, rinse and blaze. Okay.
Oh, some girl fi say them a hot girl and still a use shimmy.
Stop it right there, sir. 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 Big and serious. What Charlie Black say, oh, some girl fi say them a hot girl and still a use shimmy. Now, my question, anything... Chris guy, that day with that woman who still a use shimmy.
Properly a country, sir.
Yeah, me not see nothing wrong with that. No, but big and serious, the way nowadays hot girl go on though, them not use shimmy. Them not supposed to use shimmy.
It better because them have attack in the dance, no Reggae, we know it.
What that?
Some girl will kill in a dance. You know, it better than we there. Use the chimney out.
Well. No, but one of the big talk how them bathroom stay, them love hyping out that dancehall now about how them bathroom shell down and one wine in them bathroom. To the point where some of them, I'm a real idiot with the thing, them OD, like the woman we call in. Come hear them there. Yeah, because big up the carpet when I'm in my bathroom. Boto. Anybody who have carpet in them bathroom, can we say, Boto? I want to make uptown people that take set power. I want to make uptown people. Me say, anybody have big expensive carpet in them bathroom, Boto? I want to make uptown people that take set power, but we are never succumb. And I call we one nouveau riche. You understand? No carpet, nothing in a bathroom. It's a moldy and stink. And rank. With all of the moisture and all that. Butu. You understand? And think some people OD in them bathroom. I not lie. Them go too hard. And just put too much things in them. You can't know somebody. You see me love space, you know.
Yeah.
Me love space. Me no love chocolate. You can't know. You see the saver then. Yeah, some people can't dash for nothing, you know, man. Can't dash for nothing. Everything, you don't know you might need it. And at them so chuck up and put everything everywhere. You understand? You understand? Space, man. And thing, you ever go in some bathroom, man?
Tight.
Tight. That me I say them just full it up at one bag of decoration and
We know, but I'm going to tell you the trick to all of this is that it's for having a whole heap of nice smelling something, but none of them not for use. I just decoration.
no, I mean I like that too. And then I have a 10 towel in there and a decorating towel, you know, you're not for touch them.
Can't touch it.
When you're going, you see all the use and back them say, yo, so I look a raggy when you're done. So I look a raggy when you're done. Now use the towel here. You just and the hard for wash you see.
Achoo.
Yo, I tell you, no, for real. Okay, people, it's about 40 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Yo, before I touch it, can you believe it, though? Yo, this is not a Mark Wignall moment. But yo, I want to big up Jimmy. Because, Jano, I'm not lie, I'm not. And you come no plastic chimney, no?
Yeah, I know the plastic one.
Plastic chimney, crisscross, conscious, enamel, we say enamel, white enamel chimney.
Yeah, with
where
a
you
chip
sit
on
on
the side.
it with a chip on the
You have to
side.
have that chip.
Several chips on
Yeah,
the side.
several.
Several chips on the side.
Depending
And when you
on
sit
how
on it, the way
valuable.
it cool and thing, you have to edge up back a little bit and warm it up back again and take time go down and thing, you know. You understand? Yeah, well, and when we are picnic, you know,
I'm not lie about the chimney save enough time.
chip me see you
Because
know.
when you look up in there, you're afraid for
Afraid for
God.
God, no.
Yeah, because every light in the house have you just
Yeah.
right there.
But one thing me against though, and this is just my opinion, you know, so I don't want nobody go vex
Here
you.
we go.
But I just I say like, you know, if she just use Jimmy for PP alone, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's just my opinion, you know. Me just think that Jimmy if you just use a PP alone. And then, you know, uptown people probably have come and man, you get up, it's a common ritual, you got empty your chimney. I want to wake up at night time or whatever. And outside me used to go. I drive from a chimney. And then you push it back under your bed. And when you wake up at morning time, you say, I've got empty. No, won't I look for I swear to
Yeah, man,
God,
that's wrong.
that's a common practice in Jamaica.
Yeah, well,
So when you look for me, say like something nasty me I talk about. You go and follow most people, all right? We used to use the chimney, right? You know, cause my man, cause you don't know, say, you know, some people stop people bed quick. Well, I was a little late. Right? Some people stop people bed early. I'm not afraid to talk. I was a little late in that area. So my mother had to make sure that I was properly potty trained at night. You understand? So, no, man, I tell you, man.
Yeah, Raga.
Eh?
Time to confess. Me too, yeah.
You didn't. Yeah, well, you know, say, you want to confess, let's be honest. No, you
No,
know.
I can't pay. I don't know that. But you know, since you so
Yeah.
bold did it,
Yeah.
I said that's his
Yeah,
Raga
wait,
would put himself out
I
there.
won't say keep it real. Now, Raga say keep it real.
Exactly.
Yo, me did late, but
Nothing
I
good
think some of that went to the bed around 8, 9 all them time there, you know. But it's still a go hard, you know. And thing, you know. And then after I wait, now you have to roll out a wet spot. And things. So
My case is different, bro.
What?
They are one of them things that when I get up and try and I'm nothing on my way. When I get up, like in a middle of my sleep.
Eh?
Yeah.
I don't know what you mean. What you mean?
Get up,
Yeah?
trying to make sure it's nothing on my way.
And then you
Yeah.
deal with it?
Eh? Properly.
Oh, it's kind of crazy, Chris.
Yeah, it's terrible, but
No, me just asleep on the bed, just feel wet. I'm just roll
no,
out.
but you know how it always start. Though your dream say up on a toilet.
yeah, then that.
I like you use the toilet, but
That
then you
dream
wonder,
say
oh,
do
you
it,
not
I
going
use
on the
it.
toilet. You feel it a run on the side,
Oh.
and then
That's how you. Me never do that. Me just wet it. Me just release. Me just release. Me
You're
never.
not-
I think
you're
there's
not
an
a
express
style.
one.
Every now and then you would dream about don't give a fart and a pee your bed. I know that.
Raga, I just say we have an next con.
And next, I shall confess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What?
the things that Michelle is okay.
Everybody used to people them bed. Everybody.
Okay, no.
but just
Here's
I
a
say when-
question.
When
Here
you-
is a question.
What?
Raga was late in stopping.
Yeah.
Crisscross was late in stopping. So we're asking you, Michelle, were you late in stopping?
What
peeing
do
your
you
bed?
call it? What
Me
age?
go round. Me know me go round. Me sure I eat.
Bear
You
in
know.
mind,
Me
our
sure
people
around
alone.
8. Eh?
Wait some more.
No, well, I don't tell her that. Well, me
Like-
sure me go around 8.
Well, I know. Well, my mother told me something. I used to pick up myself at infant school.
What age
and
was
my
it?
brother used to have to bathe me.
That's an infant, but what age? You
Yeah,
think
I
you
start primary school when I was 7.
You done
So-
pee your bed when you were 7?
Primary school. Maybe first grade, yeah.
First grade. Okay, so you're a little late too. Ruthie. Typical Ruthie. You hear what she said? I have no recollection. Ruthie, nah. Hey, she said, "Hold it down, you know, man." She said, "Hold it down." But Jano, you know, I have to big up Jimmy. I have to big up Jimmy.
Hey, but you never have to ask when you hear about them people in bed, you know. Just look for the bed outside and sat them on in.
Yeah.
Well, catch up.
Mattress.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mattress.
Yeah.
My mother did give me my own mattress after a while. You know.
Yeah, man.
My sister and my mother did it on the good bed and me did on the kaya mattress.
You have a thing with them called sun mattress.
Yeah, when you have sun mattress and you know, and you see the big old stain in the mattress.
Yeah, man, I saw all that
Yeah,
Sunday
the
morning.
people stain there, mad.
Sunday
No.
sun mattress there.
Alright, but you know when it's sticky though. When mattress are sun and a picnic no live over there. Tambourine, big up the adults them who want to say diaper. But anyway, I can't believe it. I don't know is that the new topic. The new topic is take it back, right? So with the point take it back, we're not gonna do the pregnancy topic, but since the take it back thing come, yo, hey, them not easy, you know, them a post some.
Super size thing.
You're somebody say, Raga, you're too lie. And when you're 13, you stop. No, for real, I see something right. So, you know, say some people just peep in bed because of laziness. Like them wake up and just can't bother move your man. Yeah, okay, take it back, mix up, take it back, mix up. People give you things and I take it back. You understand? We want drama about them, something there, any other sample mix up on that. But can you believe it for today? Man who wanted teddy bear back assaulted. This is in Malaysia. Man who wanted teddy bear back assaulted. Look like I read that game. A teddy bear, I want it back and I'm not done it. I can read the mix up though. I can read it. A man was allegedly assaulted after he sought to get back a teddy bear which he had given to his ex-girlfriend as a present. The incident occurred around 2:20 a.m. when the victim was on the way back to his house after having a drink with friends. He was allegedly hit by two of the woman's friends after returning home. It is believed that his action of trying to get back the soft toy had caused anger among her friends, which led to the fight. District Police Chief Superintendent Rosli Abdul Rahman said the victim's friend tried to stop the fight, but about 20 men surrounded them before they started hitting the victim. They also allegedly broke the windows of his house and car. The victim lodged the report and police have detained 5 men. So I could put it in a patois. I brother did there with a girl and him give her a teddy bear and it looked like when him left for her. Him say, "Oh, I want back my teddy bear. I want back my teddy bear." And then I want back Ralphie. And then the B friend, him ex-girlfriend friend, must have said, "Yo, I dirty boy that." I just moved him and start beating him wicked. You understand? Right, see there, he was allegedly hit by two of the woman's friends after returning home. Right. So fear link them moved to him. Like, you know, the police chief superintendent said the victim's friend tried to stop the fight. That's the brother friend. But about 20 men, about 20 men surrounded them before they started hitting the victim. So him did have a link. You can imagine that crisscross. Like, him link probably had defend him and I said, "Yo, now worry, you know, Abdul. Because they are defending me, your link." You know, Abdul, a 20 of them, you know. You hear me? You hear me? Give out the girl, give out the teddy bear, Abdul. I could have done the thing, you know. You understand? Now, what you think about that? No, me don't know. The superintendent named Adam. I just have to pick out her name. But what you think about that brother here who give the girl the teddy bear and I take it back?
Boy. Maybe me used to sleep with it and like him give her so she can sleep
No,
with
let me
it.
tell you something. Well, me right now, I feel it's foolishness in my keep up. But you see when you're in at them look at something there.
Yeah.
You see when you're in at them mix up that divorce and all them something there. The we hold so much passion and hatred strong, you know. All who get the strain is a big deal, you know, man. You know? You understand? No, for real. It's like who get, you know, the tablecloth, you know?
The run of them.
And it's really not about the tablecloth, you know. It's just how much I hate you. You understand? So, I don't know if him must just say, yeah, hear me. But you know what? I probably born him too. That's why I tell people say, you know, when me give people gift, I don't expect back nothing, you know, but no, but that's why I tell you, say, any woman that come, ladies, if you come to me and ask for buy on her bed, on a nugget. Nugget. You have a better chance to ask me for go box down the Prime Minister Bruce Golding than for go get a bed from me.
You hear the man him too in a bed, you know, good enough, you don't get in.
No, I know say some man go them way there, you know, them go want hear say a ragabite. What? A ragabite?
So we are upon the
A
floor.
ragabite? Come back from the bed, yeah. I say me heavy bunks more, you know. Dirty boy ragga, you know long me not rate that boy, yeah. Bunks in this. Bunks in this, make bed, make night. No, me not buying a bed for that woman.
First, you go make a statement like, me don't have a girl in a ragga bed.
Yeah. Well, say, yeah, me just mash up something in that ragga bed last night, you know. I know as bad as things as you can know because it's when me did I grow up and parents never want me there with them daughter. And we did I do the things them. Yeah. Nothing sweet me more than I do it in the parents' in bed. Me not lie. Me no lie. I see next man when I'll pay next day I'll pay I done your thing. Big up Miss Ethel, she dead now. But big up Miss Ethel, she dead now. Sophia, anyway, they'll large up yourself. Excelsior. No man, don't worry yourself. And but I'm going out Miss Ethel say, yo, nobody sit down at the sofa this summer. I said, all right. He just sit down and I said, why? Only she knew. But nah lie, man.
Hey.
But nah. George! What's up? You good? Yo, congratulations. You dropped down. So, George, start, man. Can you put on your bossy voice after this? But talk, man. George, what? You good? No, George, start, no, man. You're not talk. Proper. Congratulations on the youth and thing. Everything is everything. But George, what they keep up for arms just anyway. But anyway, people, that was, can you believe it? A brother in Malaysia gave a girl a teddy bear. And then when them left for him, want to take back the teddy bear. And the girl must go tell her friend them, and her friend them rush him, 20-odd man rush him. And would have kill it with liquor out there. And them friend have tried to defend it and beer things. And they mash him up wicked, because he might take back a teddy bear. So, we are saying the heights of carelessness that you can't give woman teddy bear and I take it back. Mr. take it back. That's the topic with that one. But at the same time, it's easy to say because we don't know what happened this because a man may go look by and say, yo, then you get the bed, where you take back the bed for me? I'm telling the truth. She could have keep the house at my one back the bed. Let me go down a Riverton City, go burn it up. You understand? Me cannot deal with the fact that me buy a bed, get woman, me and I left. And she and Beanie Man, the planet a sort out. For what? She am bound to kill her sort out and thing. Can you imagine bound to kill her, take a hammer and beat my mattress? No, sir. That was...
Believe it? Oh my god, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my god, do you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Hold on. All right, we'll forward back. We have artist of the week? Eh? Oh, okay, man. I'm a script writer so in front of me. Okay, with the local, so we go foreign. But anyway, Richard Michelle asked if we can see chink. You can't see chink? You ever see chink yet?
My sister just say feel them bite you.
What? You can't see them.
I've never seen
Chris, you ever see a chink? You can't see them, man. I can't. If you look good, man, that's some little crowley something now.
You ever see them?
Chink up? No. Eh? Yeah, man, they look like ticks and lice, man. Our foreigners called bed bugs. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But you have to look good for see them, you know, but you just feel them a bite out your clot up in your bed, you know. You understand? And I made this point before and I'll make it again. One sign that we're truly progressing as a nation. No. We don't hear anybody talk about chink anymore. No, you don't even know one time gone, chink did come on, you know, chink did just nuff up and a run in all the while, you know, the chink them did a hype, man. You understand? Kaya made them? No. Well on, no, chink never in my bed. The Kaya used to choke me, and never the chink used to buy. No, let me tell you know why you're wrong? Chink really love the soft, spongy something them. And them that's chink love. Kaya matcha, chink no love, what? Where Yanika say chink didn't. No, all right, I can't agree. Me know say that chink never in a cause if I mean when I throw what pan, I go about to look nastiness or whatever. No chink never in a my Kaya mattress. And the Kaya used to joke me and never the chink used to joke me. You understand? And that don't even sound good, but chink can joke me. But anyway, but when I say, it's a sign, the fact that we have, you know them two things that used to come on when we know to hear about them. Ruan, Yannick, Richie, Ruth, Michelle, Chris Grass and the rest of the world. Chink and lice. You remember when lice used to come on? Me not lying, I catch lice a couple times, well, you know. And then I rub Vaseline around the side of my head and then fill it up with cursing oil and tie it up like Mary Magdalene or Jemima. Yeah, no, man. Yeah, you have to put the Vaseline by your forehead, come right through on your head side. Yeah, because when the cursing oil come, they say, burn out your clot, you know. So Vaseline save you right there, so, you know. You understand? And then they pull up here that cursing oil and kill out all lies. That never failed, though, you know. A homemade remedy that is not recommended now. But when me I tell you now, but sometimes the damn cursing I'll run over the Vaseline, still come down on your face and burn out your cloth. You understand? Hey, at some trying times, them there, man. Remember me tell you, you know.
You got through it, man.
I tell you, man, them days, I say, you don't realize how lucky. You don't even have to deal with lies too much. Hey, whoever go school and lies get to in a school later than pandemonium in high school.
Where's lice?
Your lice never get to in your school yet?
No.
Yeah, man, you want to go school back in the day, man. Yo, then now, one time now, one big room I go start at Jamaica. So Rasta 40 like in I mean. Richie, remember that? When I tell your parents rush out and Jesus God, let me check your head picnic. And it was a crisis, you know, them put on the Rasta, you know, say 40 like it. I'll tune make about it, you know. How the tune go Richie? How the go again? Yeah. I think, George knows him say, Naughty Dread, I have no 40 leg. Me say, if you stop spread propaganda upon the dread, because the dread not have no 40 leg, you know. Go to the east, never say so. You go to the north, never say so. Me say, around them, around up them mouth upon the dread. Yo, that tune that is bad. Chris Cross, you don't have it. You don't have it. Somebody fight. Richie, you don't have it. You don't have it with you. It bad like, it was a piece of crisis, man. Yeah, man, because them time them used to give it to the Rasta, them, you know.
man, I did for them time.
Yeah, the two things them do with Rasta when they have it well away in a panic. The 40 leg thing, and when they say Rasta, black heart, man. Yeah, I hear about black heart, man. You know hear about when Rasta was black heart, man. Hey, them time you see all the locks, you run like thief. Them time you see all the man shaking like this, say, Jesus Christ, I hate this master God, no. I think, I be a thing.
Yeah, people are talking about that explain about it.
What?
I hear people are talking about that explains your ball.
That explain my ball.
Raggas ball.
No, me just never attracted to a locks thing, you know. And you see me, I have a piece of dry scalp, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not
It's
see you
not
as a
pretty.
Rasta.
You don't see me as a Rasta. You don't see me as a Rasta because you've never seen me as a Rasta.
You were a Rasta?
No, then the other thing
You
is...
did Rasta?
No, the other thing is, I think Rasta fit people with smaller head.
Yeah.
And you know, my head is like very visible. Understand? Hey, people, if you cannot make fun of yourself, you're low. If you can't done yourself, one time he said we have a done yourself day, you know.
Oh, yeah.
If you cannot make fun of yourself and diss yourself and done yourself, then you have some serious insecurity problems. Yo, I look on some of the posts. Hey, Joyce, Troubleshanti Atkins, she not easy, you know. She come in like, she remind me of Queen Bee. As soon as anything come up, she have the picture feet and whatever. She have a mattress with the chink them turn up in eye. But Maurice Waby said, they only come out at night. They're not in Jamaica, but they're invading New York. So the chink them are invade New York.
Them shift.
Yeah, the chink them migrate, man, and fly out. Embassy, eh?
Embassy now reject them.
Wait, so careful, because then they go here and them say, on the Ragashanti show, it was the incorrect statement was made that the U.S. Embassy is rejecting people but not rejecting chinks. And we want to say that it's categorically false. And we do not want another diplomatic brouhaha like we had with the Dodos controversy. And you see. No, but somebody make a good point, you know, moms. We don't see moms again, you know. Yo, tell me something. Is it that uptown people never catch moms or them just never wrap up them face with the cloth like we are ghetto?
They had what security?
Well, because me never see them for them. What did wrap around our face when we catch moms, Richie? What? Somebody in the cloth? Eh? What? No, I never just the cloth. Something in the cloth, man. Something you never see people with moms yet. Oh God, Richie, them Gilbert baby. Really, Chris guys, you never see people with moms on the cloth wrap around them face yet.
Yeah, I see them, yeah.
You see them?
Yeah.
Thank God for country. But anyway, no man, me I tell you, when anybody have moms, them used to wrap them face with and cloth go right round. Me don't know, but it wrap under your chin go right round over your head, you know.
You did have it?
No, I never catch mom.
Oh, what you catch measles?
Me never catch me catch chicken pox.
Oh yeah, I had that.
No, you never catch chicken pox yet? Jesus God, I the worst sitting. Because I will heap a bump on you, like thousands of bump on you. The whole of them are scratching them, I tell you don't scratch them.
Yeah, and then you have the next pink eye.
Eh?
And then you have
pink eye, pink and dengue fever.
Oh.
Pink eye, dengue fever and chicken pox. Them same thing, them man. No, Richie, you're right. Richie just make a statement, it mad. Richie say cartel better not catch chicken pox now, cause no, I'm gonna Tambourine for that one. Adisha. Richie say you better not catch chicken pox right now, cause it never look good. You understand? The whole of the bomb them are go red. Yeah, and it never look good, yeah. And things. So no man, but when we catch chicken pox, it didn't.
I did have it, but I didn't have a lot of bumps. Like just
it varies with different people.
Oh,
some people get a little bit of bump, some people get numb, some
but
people.
But you have it in my mouth though. Like two other bump them.
Yeah.
Say that again.
No, the chicken pox like I did have them in my gum.
Oh, voila.
No, we understand when cook.
No, voila.
I'm behind me.
Richie, oh no, hold on. Richie, in all your years of living, and we know about people that catch chicken pox, Richie, you ever hear anybody have chicken pox bumping at their mouth? Jesus, God. And we know say you're thinking different, you know, but
no,
why?
Seriously,
No, we believe you. We believe you. That's the sad part. We believe you. So we know say for a long time your mouth have problems, you know. Me never hear anybody with chicken pox bumping at their mouth yet. Never ask Mrs. Mighty for you.
And some man a boil, she do.
No,
mine a boil. Tell me
not.
something. What is boil really? Like
Gum
boil is
boil?
just a big bump, but boil is just a big bump. Why them call it boil? Is that different kind of bump?
Yeah.
No, it's hot.
No, and what give boil? Why you get boil? Yeah, but anybody that gets boil anymore?
Things not catch
Yeah,
again.
but why boil? Boil is
Enough things now catch again.
nothing now catch again, and unfortunately, them I catch some new things now. What we can't do with those, right? Any day you can't give me boil, chicken pox, pink eye, mums, and dengue fever. Any day over where them I catch now. you can't give me the whole of them the one time. If you give me one of them, say no, you're gonna kill me. You want age instead? No, give me them. You understand? No, but boil, let me boil for real. No.
Yeah,
Boil it and shut up the place one time, you know.
And wax and coal and
No, I wax and coal on it near. My mother used to say wax and cannon.
Oh.
Under your armpit. Now wax and cannon used to call it Richie. So I wish she get wax and coal on from. I wax Richie them on the ground in there, people. Richie are dead in there. Richie them on the ground in there. Hey, you know, I say all our IrieJam people them listen to the show, though, I just laugh and I enjoy themselves, you know. All our older listeners, them listen to the show, I just are dead. Hey, no, what? No, but wax and colon. No, but what is wax and cannon? Because you know that is a Jamaican pronunciation for something else.
The equivalent to the gum boil, but only thing that under the arm.
Wax and cannon is not a boil.
No, my friend catch it the other day, man, and it bust
Your
and she got
friend
doctor.
had something else. It was a wax and cannon. Wax and cannon is not a boil. May I tell you, wax and cannon is a painful muscle thing under your armpit where
That's
you
when
get
you
with
get sinus,
flu
yeah.
symptoms and them something there. You understand it? Under your armpit, wax and cannon, but your friend did catch something else.
Me no want catch it, though.
No, your friend trick you. Yeah, your friend did have something big under her arm with boss. And when you ask her, I watch, she said, no, I wax and cannot trick you. Your friend did have something else, man. I hope she check it out. You need to tell me your friend name so I don't go near her. Mad. No, but okay, so pink. Yo, pink. Me catch pink eye, man. Me catch pink eye. That did wicked in, man.
Mama, did you get that?
Me live at Percy Street them time there. 17 Percy Street, West Kingston, right between Regent Street and Wellington. And pink eye did shut up the place. Pink eye did mad.
I want me the ball in an 8th grade hard and I like it. You just go around, move
Yeah.
up one son them. I like me, I walk my mess. Jesus Christ, I'm blind now.
Yeah.
Me have to use my hand and open my eye. But
Hey,
like,
you see them days, eh? You see all if you bleach a little bit of your eye, you go pink. Bring some warm salt water.
no, and the salt water them used to say, you know, you know what them
People
used.
start getting paranoid and this is smoke up, yeah?
This is what, yeah.
And you know them always have a throw in your eye.
Wow.
But me not, the little people thing them, man. For pink eye, yeah.
They must throw pee in your eye?
No, them never throw it in my use eye drop.
No, well, you ever hear about that?
Yeah, them always have a throw pee
You ever hear about that,
in a
Richie?
pink eye. You see,
Hey,
me
Richie,
know
Richie,
something, yeah.
let me see if Richie ever see
Confirm.
it. Richie, you ever hear about that? Oh, okay,
Alright.
okay, Richie, see you.
Come on,
Yeah,
come on, palm
Richie,
my
see
back, palm my back.
Whatever.
One.
No, so you must put pee in your eye?
Yeah, them always have to put make somebody else urinate and then you throw the urine in your eye, like wash out the eye.
Hey.
Like when something.
You know what I got done the place with right now? I love my mother, you know, but I think my mother did low right there, so. But nah, like, I think my mother did low. After me clot up a star up, I'm going to eat the skin too much, right?
Yeah.
And them claim say me buying. My mother now come with a carbolic soap to put up in my butter.
Hey, Raga.
Wow.
You see, like, oh, can't tell how cake soup. You could have gone to carbolic. Could have gone to carbolic.
My mother come. I know say you look a picture, say you can't, whatever, so. But just because I am a human being and there's the instinct to survive.
Yeah.
When me see the soap I come and she hold me by my neck, you know, man. Me just reel out of that, you know, man. I start run up and down, and I start tell her, you know, me can't tell her, I think me can't tell her, but me just make she know, say, you know, the bathroom time will come. The bathroom time
No
will come.
carbolic to my thing.
And my wife, I said, big up to Nurse Linda. Because a Nurse Linda come down and say, Sister Scott, give him some time. Nurse Kingsley don't come. I said, Sister Scott, give him some time. Let's see if, like, whatever. Let me tell you, people, there is never one time in my life where I dined for doodoo than that the time there. I say, I pray down. I pray down. I pray it down. I say, I beg God, make me go in bathroom quick or whatever. Auntie, I'm going. Remember me, I tell her, I say, we are going in the shower. I say, me want to know, don't flush it till we're done. And whatever.
You should just drink like a bitters and wash out for, fast to the process.
Yeah, no, but I don't know. Them time them I look at them. I don't know them something them. But it's a practice. It's a practice them have it's a practice them have in Jamaica where if you're buying, because you know if you eat starper skin, them say you're buying.
Yeah.
Then them who come up with them something? How that start? How does somebody say, oh, you're constipated, you can't, let's see, what can we try here? What can we try? Aha! Somebody bring me that carbolic soap, because who was the first person who come up with this? And like, what were the circumstances that led to that first being practiced? Somebody push carbolic soap up into a cavity that is only for exit, not for entrance. Well, I'm sure some gay youth are listening. Speak for yourself, Raga. For real?
That's supposed to do together.
Oh, me never know you have a so. Yo, you never saw King Julian and King Julian and Louis.
Frisky.
The warm. Them say you put the warm ashes in the cloth. Yes, a warm ashes. That's true. You put warm ashes in the cloth and you wrap your face around it for the mums. Hands them down there to swell up. Hey, some breed are sitting back then when we used to buckle with and that. But all of them something that me I say.
Yeah, and ringworm not gone.
Ringworm?
Yeah.
A long time people not catch ringworm,
What you used to sip on your what you used to sip?
Like a little round and
yes.
like bubbles.
Yeah, I would never say ringworm. We say wingworm. Wingworm, we call it wingworm. Don't it?
That usually mash up school too.
That usually, wingworm usually my kind of content. Everybody say, but wingworm, yeah.
Like a leper.
More wash out. I'll wash out now, Then why? Then you pick the wash out anymore?
Tonic. Hey, them give them in a different
Style it up
form.
now.
Yo, them have all kind
Feral.
of bossy name. No, man, Feral are calves. I want to see.
I don't know.
Feral have a cool, man.
Oh.
But Feral was the pick the cool something, man. Feral compound. You know the blue, man. Feral. You say you need some Feral, and like, oh, God. And cod liver oil. No, the Feral, it tastes better than the cod liver oil. But God bless my mama, because she just have when I might spirit to get her and get up and say, okay, Marvelin and Kingsley. Me have a sister, 9 mornings straight, Cersei and Ginger. Let me tell you that I'm murder, For my sister, not for me. Because she couldn't drink. Hey, a war between she and my mother, man.
I need that. I couldn't drink. I'm picky with them things. Like, I can't drink Cersei. Me vomit.
No, man. Me drink Cersei now, man. You know how well they give you for drink when me never like to.
Bitters?
No, not bitters, man.
Molasses?
Cinco Bible.
Yeah, all of zero.
Jesus God. Hey, you see when them a make it, the whole place thinking that alone mash up here right there, sir. And you say, Jesus God, then that me have to go drink. All dog running from that the smell, Me say when dog smell when Cinco Bible, I'm making I'm gone. And that them I give you for drink. You understand? Yeah, bossy term for it is aloe vera, but me I tell you back in the idea, man. God bless my mother, but why we used to then my mother used to have one thing now. 12 o'clock at night you get one thing named black pill. And one pill where she said cut up the things I'm inside of you, then you go to sleep.
Then when your teeth fall.
No, hold on. No, man. Then when you wake up now, you get salsa and senna. You don't know senna powder and salsa. You know senna powder and
I'm not gonna lie, honestly, I don't know.
Yeah, man, then when you wake up, you get salsa and senna. Now, the black pill, she said, cut on the thing, and the salsa and senna wash out. You see for the rest of the day, man. You see for the rest of the day.
You're weak.
Hey, you just stand up near, you just stand, that's a tenement yard we live, So everybody use the toilet, them, You just stand up near the toilet, You just make sure, you just pray God, so nobody not use it for the rest of the day, Because you just want it to be your home. You understand? Man, hey, them days are the nice, though. But not lie. But, you know, we give thanks and we don't say no for them something, you know, probably a doctor, you know, practicing doctor right now would be more qualified to tell you what they about and what really are rinse. Because perhaps the things them still about, but people not treat them the same way. You understand? Because we want to give thanks for that, say, you know, things kind of get modern in a way that we hope is more effective. I want to put down the traditional ways of dealing with these things, but I would like to think that, for example, there are safer ways to treat lies than to throw a cursing oil in our head, which is quite a substance that we should really interact with in a very topical way like that and so forth. But we give thanks. Okay, we're going to break, people. We're soon far. We'll come back. We'll go to the phone line. Take it back, Mixup. Hey, yeah, man. All right, now we're going to go to the phone line right now. We want some take it back Mixup. You know, just give us some drama about people. Give some things and take it back and just give it the Mixup. We're surrounded. Somebody said in here, wax and kernel is a swelling of the lymph nodes under the arm or inner the groin beside the genitals. Big up to my brethren, Ruan, who's sending this. Ruan, I don't know about wax and kernel near the genitals. What you say, Michelle? What?
In the groin area, yeah.
In the groin area?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it is, was all this time. No, I have had it, but we never know. I think wax and kernel, you could only get under your armpit. But I never know you could have get. Can I get that pain in my grind more time? But I never know how. But just think we pull a muscle or something. Because, you know, we're active with them area there, you know. So we think, say, yeah. So all them time I believe some man a stoller and think I will pull a muscle every time that cold me I catch. Yo, that time I said, yeah, man, I pull muscle on the grind here, and I'm going to shut up something wicked, mad. And every time I look at floor and reach me, I don't know, no. Hey, boy, that's how life goes. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon, hello.
Raga, good afternoon.
Greetings.
Me did that man one time, Mr. Raga.
Eh.
And when me animal left, he said, must give back a false teeth when me ain't give me.
What are they? Tambourine! Him did, but when you and him there, him did buy a false teeth give.
Yeah, the front, the tree and the goal.
The false teeth was 3 teeth and a gold one?
Yeah.
And then when him left him say, one back in teeth?
Yeah, and him buy 2 scarf. Him one time used to have scarf for your wear around your neck.
Eh.
Me I left him take it back on his front the teeth, then when give me.
So what, you give him back the teeth then?
I mean, Raga, them must give him back in teeth and to be don't tell God help me belly back.
Okay, and you eventually get back on teeth,
yeah,
no?
man, but me couldn't believe say man take back the teeth, then when bill give me.
No, I carelessness that. Me not think him should have do that. Me not. But you know, say I want a woman I listen right now and I said, no, you shouldn't give him back the teeth. Give him back the scarf.
Me should give him, because man I go see me, so me give him and to be don't tell me could have bill. I tell me mouth, machine Raga, me I laugh, me have to take me and over my mouth.
When you laugh, you have to cover your mouth?
With me hand.
With your hand. The way your mouth mash, why you the kind of shame about it, don't it? It's kind of embarrassing, no? Like when you laugh and then just as a beer gum there and whatever, you just cover your mouth. And you feel shame. Then well on. You never, when him ask you back for your teeth, you never tell him like, then you can't just leave the teeth with me.
I'm saying I forgive me. Then Raga, me not give me in teeth, man. I don't want him to take it for me.
Oh, you know want to walk past the street and then he might come up back and you say, give me my teeth.
Then after that, now tell someone day, me man now see me a road and start fight me.
I fight you?
You have to lick him and run, man.
You have to clot him and run and thing or whatever. Oh, but you shouldn't take back your teeth. You shouldn't take back your teeth.
Money buy, so me give him back.
No, then you never buy nothing for him?
No, sir, me never.
You never buy nothing for him in a
no,
relation?
No, me go like me have money, me get my partner, me buy food. Because I'm the type of somebody like, you know, me spend up. Me never really buy nothing for him.
So him take back this cap. Me can't, like, well, even this cap, them him should have leave. But even if him take back this cap, but why the teeth? Why the teeth? Oh, Lord God, man. Oh, Lord God. Then tell me something else. So how long your mouth did without the teeth after that?
Long time. Because I must have when them time I left him in the pan, nothing and them things. They must around 3 years, my mouth mash one, man.
Oh, so after about 3 years you go without it. Then and you shame on your mouth, so every talk you talk.
I have to put some time in remember say teeth in my mouth. I realize me gram, you know, you fall under your lip.
You fall, okay. So sometimes you forgot to say teeth that then you start bust out a big laugh and quick.
okay,
You
yeah,
have to wrap up your lip over your gum them. No? Okay, oh Lord God, go see you wrap them the lip over your gum. But after a while your lip them supposed to stretch though. No, your lip them supposed to well stretch from the exercise that hide the gum them, no.
That's true, man.
But then it cause that, then tell me something like when you used to having the teeth, then what kind of problem it cause after you end up with a mash mouth after you take it back? Eh?
You know, really not because you laugh.
Okay.
You laugh. I'm not trouble because you know, really trouble when me eat that much. And when you feel laugh, now you remember, say, yet it's something you remember, say, teeth in your mouth, you know, you recall it. You just do so and say, Jesus. Me not my mind, God, because I'm not having any teeth.
Okay. Anybody ever look at you funny when you laugh with your mash mouth?
No, sir, because nobody never look at them, they know what happened.
Them they know say take back the teeth.
Yeah,
them.
me tell them and them are saying wicked and me take care of children them. For me taking me to his son and them.
Right. No, man, they should have leave you with the teeth. Because you not do nothing with the teeth, them and like them can't fit in anybody else's mouth.
You could have intro them way, man.
You must that's so I just spite that.
I just spite.
Then I want to make you and him did I left. I want to talk you got you. Are you the left him?
No, when me go to market pan Saturday and say me go to hotel with man and me come back and want to fight me. Jealous man.
Oh, you mean secure them really?
Jealous, me couldn't go nowhere. Couldn't deal with them. Me go to market pan Saturday and come back. Then to me tenant them now yard always tease me say you're jealous. You'll kill you, Yosef. And you go to market, you go to hotel. I couldn't deal with it, man.
Okay, but now that it passed and gone and everything.
Yeah, man.
Well, I know me want to ask you something, Pinchman. You did a put on a bun on him?
No, sir. Them time them I not do no bun. I never give him no bun.
You never give him no bun them time?
No, sir.
Not even one time or anything?
No, sir.
So everything...
When me then year full left, me did meet someone, but he didn't say nothing, so me just shake out tight.
Oh, you do? Okay,
So me do want come out. And my stepson step me out tight till when he come there and see condition, he say, you're not staying not this year for come out.
Your stepson?
My dad, no, my son-in-law should
Your son-in-law. And so I help you out of the situation?
Because I was along with my daughter them time.
Okay, so him did buy your box on teeth?
No, man.
Okay.
I work and build back my plate.
Okay, you build back all your plate for your card upon
I'm
yeah.
still say it take me a time in Ragashanti
It
to
take
go back for
3
my
years before you could have get back by your foot then. But I can just imagine when you get your teeth them, how you must feel good, don't you?
Oh, man, smile.
Oh,
Smile to the world.
oh Lord, man, big pretty smile, don't
Smile to the
you?
world.
Wish you could have seen the little nastiness right there, so you don't it?
I think my daughter go look for him and him ask me because, you know, me not really bet them and nobody against him. My daughter go look for him up to there and him ask her what happened to me and she tell him, say, I'm good man, mommy good.
Okay, but when me I say, when they go look for your daughter, say, you ever ask about your teeth?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, she not go remember because them time she did young.
She young, yeah. Me just sit wonder if after that him didn't bring up any argument about the teeth. Anyway, the boy, him is a proper, Mr. Take it back. Tell you, man.
I lay down and hear I laughing about the teeth chicks. It isn't happen when you that grow.
Yeah.
Chiga did take me in the country, you know about Chiga.
Chiga, you take in your foot in your toe there?
Yeah, man, I'm in the country.
Papa Jesus, you're right.
About Chiga.
Chiga to right it. Me I tell you, look how Chiga did come and prevalent, auntie.
And when you talk about the ching bite me in a kaya mattress bed, because board bed me did have.
You did, what you mean by board bed?
You know, you take a board and build a bed, board bed.
Right.
So chink used to kill me in a kaya mattress.
The chink used to clot you. I will if I bite you, used to get
when we
no.
go to school, pick them off our clothes.
Lord God, Jesus have mercy. What a lie you tell. When you go to school, pick up chink off of your clothes.
Kill me.
And when the backside you tell me saying I people in country.
And them bite hot, you know.
And me if you tell you, when them bite them have a way, when them sink in your skin, don't it? Yeah, man, like them want to make love to you. Hey.
Comes and pie when you kill them.
Oi. So when you go to school, pick nail pick chink off
Far
you.
away. I mean, the time we have enough, man, and use jails and kind of thing to kill them, couldn't get them out. Cause them, I mean, I know. Them time they did nice. A true man, we are talking for a true history.
Them days, boy, I tell you, look back here, take bad thing. But you need to go catch Chiga now.
I don't know, I did catching up. I said there's something not going on in between me two. I never know me. I scratch it and when I'm a grandma, somebody see it and pull out. You have a bag, you know, you pull it out, you come out with that bag. I see a Chiga.
What the Chiga, one bag something in there?
You pull it and it come out a hole. Like
what you mean? Me not understand.
Like when you do a can and you pick it.
Yeah.
and you pick it in whole, it have to come out, you know, like the root of it have to come out.
Lord.
And then we put blue stone in it. You know, something, you know, blue stone for cut.
Yeah, blue stone you use treat and thing. You see the big blue something pan. People put it on sore, put it on some big sore. I see people use blue stone pan. But Jesus, we don't forget about that, the one there in the blue stone.
Yeah, man.
Some big old sitting, some big old blue, you see some big old blue mark around some hell of a sore pan, some picnic.
Jesus, Raga, those were the days.
So when they take out the chicken now, they put blue stone on your foot.
And I said, me savior, man.
Oh, Lord God, it did hurt. Man, then tell me something, you know. You have to bear with me, because, you know, chicken, your uncle can't catch it between your two or something you can't catch.
I don't know, because pitney boot me used to put on a school, because when I go to school, I couldn't wear shoes. My father, I have to go to school barefoot.
Yeah.
And my father and then Pitney used to let catch their shoes calling because they used to laugh after me. So I never saw me catch it. I don't know.
Okay. But me just, probably somebody can. I don't know if I something
somebody can tell you.
Yeah, if I something you only can catch between your two. I'm not sure.
I think someone between the two.
Between the two, right. I'm not really sure or whatever. What I think, but is that, yeah, man, is a very, that one that did about enough. Chigga. It did come and people are called for you. Chigga foot girl.
Yeah, chigga foot girl.
Chigga foot girl. Go ahead with your chigga foot girl or chigga foot boy. Go. Them days there. All right, you take care of your photos.
Yeah, man, love you.
Love you too. Blessings and respect. No, for real, people, I forgot about Chigga. Chigga, Chinkan. What we say, what?
Chinkan life?
Chigga. No, I could just work with the seed them now, because you know which one we never touch it. You know which one we never touch it, Richie? Well, it's really a farmer lice, but the other name.
What?
Crab louse, man. Crab louse, man. Yo, listen, I would like to formally apologize to all the crab louses out there listening the show, hearing us talking about all these insects from earlier. You used to take set by Jamaicans and did not mention you. It was very, very wrong on my part to have excluded you, considering how prevalent you were in the Jamaican psyche and the Jamaican body. Crab louse, man. Crab louse.
Them still about, you know, but them are traveling secret, you know?
You must know. hey, rock cafe.
What you trying?
Play for me. Talk for your crab louse, Michelle. Talk for your crab louse. Let me.
But you see that chigga thing that I want to ask a question though. Remember when I go to them, I said, why you have chigga head back? Are the same chigga them attack? Like, I don't know. People used to say you have chigga head back. I
don't know, you know, but I don't know if chigga in your head back. Richie, chigga can in your head back.
You know, them just used to say chigga head back.
No, me only know about chigga up on foot, you know.
Oh.
Me don't know. It could be, you know, what I mean. I don't know.
No, but half of the people when they say have chigga head back are too big still.
True what? The head back big?
Yeah,
no, man, well, I just trouble them to that trouble. No, man, I trouble them to that trouble. But, me forget get crab loose and crab. Because, hey, but now I lie, you know. Out of all of them insect, Richie, crab louse are the one where they have the swag. no, don't it? Crab louse is swaggerific. Crab louse did have a different kind of hype. You understand? Crab louse is like, crab louse, you don't know what crab louse saying. Crab louse for them thing is like, yeah, we not go up there, sir. We said down there, sir. And down there's our thing there. Yeah,
and them say warm.
And them say moist. You understand? Yo, and we want to come exposed to the elements. Hello. Down to the basement. We don't want a roof. Gravlow said no roof around here. And we say basement. Pull out the pool table. Man. Work with them two balls here. Tambourine. Yo, but I lie, me I feel it today. The thing's sick today. The thing's sick of that man quick now. I'm trying about to listen today, you know, because you can write 2 more articles. Large up yourself, though. Anyway.
No, that woman, they meet it, doing.
Oh, no, she got through it.
Without a plate for 3.
Yeah, 3 years and her mouth mash and she have to cover her mouth when she laugh. And then something there. And then she did have sugar food before that and chink and sugar. What, she's a real Jamaican woman.
Yeah.
Yes. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Uh-huh.
Ragashanti, you can't make old people laugh, man. We will have heart attack, you know.
Oh, she have put us.
Yeah, Micheline, poor little Micheline. She don't know nothing about the whole time, something, you know. Me, I tell you.
All right.
You talk about catch ringworm, but you not get the remedy for ringworm.
You mean
You remember the remedy for ringworm?
Well, that's something you have to drink.
No.
I rub with.
No, man, you know blue weather and take blue clothes.
Yes.
You rub it up with little lime.
Yes.
All right. You bring back many things, man. Me not going to remind you about this, the one we love down at the bottom part there, but the lady bring it up.
Yeah, crab loaf. Yeah, crab loaf.
When we not get to and girl fast with you, so you call them old crab loaves.
Old crab loaves, man. Yeah, man.
Them love the little secret place.
Yes.
With one policeman, Raga. After I go do him for do and getting crab loaves. In come on, contact about a toilet seat up halfway tree police station and catch it. Within liard sale.
But you know, the truth is doing what there is.
Used to leave on the toilet seat, but he was telling a lie.
But he might tell lie. Okay.
You know
But
that.
I just want to know so you could actually catch it.
You're saying liquor. Drink no liquor to that.
Oh, no, we see one picture and show one picture and them not liquor.
Yeah. Each up in the kaya mattress, them love it.
Yeah.
But
Right.
the trigger now is really a tool. Especially a liquor tool.
Okay.
The trigger into.
Okay.
And when that scratch you know.
What chiga is not a
scratch it till it burn you.
chiga is not an insect, is a
No.
okay.
It's just a fungus.
It's just a right.
Right? So you better dig it and smell it, kind of like a cheesy smell.
Oh, you did smell your chiga?
Yes, rather.
You used to smell your chiga, no?
Walking at the man and get trigger. And that's why my mother used to say, you have to put on people's shoes neither. Because you will get trigger. Well, you bring back some memories, you know, come in my 50s, you know, Raga, you bring back me there, you know.
Sure.
When I time, I just roll in on my bed, so, you know.
They know that's what they are, fama.
You say, me have to lock off the iron and go lay down rolling on my bed. Raga, you good.
That's what they are, fama.
If I ever run on your phone, could run on your backyard, you would have live with your man. You make people just happy. You never give a mix up, no.
All right. No, what is a good point you're making, because, you know, like we just talk about
I'm happy from morning.
No, we're
happy, Raga.
talking about the Mark Wignall article, cause you know when me have
read it yesterday too, yeah.
But you know when me do my thing, I say if I laugh I pee up the place, you know.
Yes, I say your people, your new jeans,
yes,
your new breed.
All right then. I see now Mark Wignall basically I say he might tell him daughter that I have a Ph.D. in anthropology and that his daughter, his 15-year-old daughter from Immaculate, concluded that, you know, I have calculated that that's only what Jamaican people want. I don't want to make them think anymore. And Mark Wignall again in a theme space cause him bright and him data bright, he missed the point. You hear what you just say? Me make you laugh. And you understand it. You understand. Okay, good. So when you hear me say, if I laugh, I pee up myself up to the...
hear me. But look, I'm going to tell you what I say about that. Hear me, look like my son now wear no old brief. Every day a new brief and new shots and name brand. Yeah, calling name I something.
But you know I'm just being stupid. I'm just being silly, right? And there's nothing wrong with being like that, don't it? Because me make you laugh and you enjoy yourself.
I'm stressed out in all yesterday. Me fret till me that come like it never burst.
And you see Mark Wignall and him 15-year-old daughter from Immaculate apparently cannot understand that because them bright, them brilliant. No, in the Observer, Jamaica Observer.
So you know, if you have no fun time for we.
No, the point.
Nothing for we laugh.
No, it must be, what them say, it must be up, for them code word is uplifting and something on it about children. And if you see, you know, let me just tell you why I'm right. Real quick, I just want to hear this real quick. Him say, him daughter say, after him hear me say that, I don't know the part him talk about wipe up. I don't know where him get that from. Mark, make up something right.
I never hear you say you wipe on floor.
You ever hear me say me wipe up people off a floor? Him never, Mark, a lie, Mark Wignall tell. Mark Wignall tell lie right there, sir. I can't tell Mark to him face. But the part where him say, if I laugh, I pee up myself.
I hear every day time.
Hear him say no. I said to my stepdaughter in dismay, you hear a man carry it right away after I hear him. Did you know that he has a Ph.D. in anthropology? That him say, you know. So the first thing he might think about when he hear somebody say, when he hear me say, if I laugh at people up myself, you know, it's like...
You should say urinate.
No, bro, his point is, a Ph.D. should not be saying that.
My God.
But that is what I grew up in. When the people I grew up in, the people. So
People listen to you plenty,
if I laugh at that,
use big word, we don't understand what you're saying.
exactly right. And then hear him say, no, him said the daughter said, "Are you serious?" She said, "He has studied people after a pause." She said, "I get it." Him same ask, "What you mean him get it?" Him same daughter say, and this in my paper, you know. You say that he has a degree in anthropology. Well, he has studied Jamaicans, and he must have figured out that we do not need anything more than what his program is about. Right? You see where my quick now carry the thing on. And then him say, anybody saying, if a little ninth grader can come to the conclusion via Ragashanti show that Ragashanti is simply giving us what we are most comfortable with, or what will just stop short of actually using our brains, then... And then he put, I had to confess that sometimes analysis of the mouth of babes is more than refreshing. Because he must say, stop short of actually using our brain. So the fact that they are laughed through the indigenous culture, of course, through Jamaican this and whatever this and that. And the fact that me go have a doctorate in anthropology. As you know, as far as Mark Quinal concerned, him and him bright daughter, you know, this shouldn't be happening.
My God.
You know, and we just we have stopped Jamaica, we have Jamaican just short of thinking. With the point is, of course, it's not a thinking show. If you want to go read Mark Wignall, this show is about laughter and entertainment.
I make woman all in the ghetto top cause one on the dance, and people are not time for that. Cause from 1 o'clock everybody lock.
They will.
I will have a router tell me if I turn off my radio and my neighbor radio book.
See there. But they will never understand. So every day when they tell me, must just leave them alone and not pay them no mind. I make we go and do it. But say now you mix up.
You think so that a woman falls teeth at?
Yeah.
In my days when I go British link up.
Yeah.
Rosalio, Cargill Avenue. Me and my friend go. Anyway, she live with one man. And she go do up her ear and buy new shoes and things. The man give her money and she go do all of them something. And she come at the dance with me. Three we used to par, you know.
Wait, when do fear?
Yeah, money for go shop to come at British link.
Right.
Well, bush to the bone now them days down gone.
See it there.
Now the man we see walking at the dance about 12:31. And he said, in a quiet and peaceful voice, you know. Like he would have said, Trish, take off your shoes, give me, you know. Take off the shoes, give me, get a dancer, wind up a man.
See it there.
I watch you a long time, you know, that means the boy come and hide out in I dance, you know. And she look good, some boy, they come from France. Because people used to come down to the dance there, you know.
No, man, I want you to talk about all of the British link up dance, them, man. People flying from all over Canada, all of the states, England. Yeah, man.
Yes. And the man saying want the shoes in a peaceful voice. So true, she have we as backup now. She depend with shoes and the man just turn him upside down and take off the pair of shoes.
A lie.
And take his hand. He might drink one beer and then he take his hand and throw the beer in the girl ear style and wobble it up. I said,
well, him turn her upside down and take the boot off and take the shoes off her.
What do you, man?
What it?
And still I will have by and I try to rotate down.
Yo, at them time there are 3-4 video man in them dance. And 5 video man. So the video.
What do you, man? If you not look good, not try, not go there, you know.
You see it. Yeah, man. British link up dance. Them they known for that for real.
What do you, man? People not rolling till all them 2 o'clock, sir.
Yeah. Turn her upside down and take back the boot.
Take back the boot and pull up the ear, wet up the ear.
And wet up the ear with the beer. Him just a whining the beer back in the ear, so no.
Wicked, I know me hate him and in dead gone. Wicked. I tell you something, take it back that world and easy. That's why pay a woman for independent, man.
Yeah, but you hear a woman say, don't make the man know, take the money, but don't make him know where the money is going to buy. And that's
living at the yard and everybody has to go British link up and them know. You know.
No, but the problem is, a lot of time, woman, instead of just asking the money, them tell her what them want to do with the money.
In them days, woman, we used to talk in our old time.
Yeah.
You know, you tell your people, say, boy,
want a money for to buy a dress to go to serve.
Yeah.
All right, now if me the young again and me beg and ask a man for money, I ask me no want it to do, I tell him no bother with it. Because if me never wanted to do something, would not ask.
Yeah, that's how. When you ask me for it, I have to tell him I'm doing it.
Where you want it to do.
If you give me money, give me. Yeah, me no bother want the money. Me no bother want it. No bother want it.
Keep that.
Keep the money, because I have to tell him I want it for do or whatever.
After you say no bother, then say all right.
Hey, all right. Hey, well, listen, I can't go on, so. I can't go on, so. I just want to know how much me figure you.
You remember Coal Life?
Eh?
You know Cortex?
Yeah, man.
Them, your blood?
Yes, them big Victor. Yes. Then,
remember? You never remember that?
No, but them they know me here, so you couldn't just pull them out. So if you don't pull them out, then left. So
your flesh, like them come up with your flesh. Them
yes.
Go down under your flesh, you know.
Yes, man.
That's ever catch you.
You have to chew one kind of liquid on it first.
You talk about mums. When we did have mums, my mother warm healing oil.
Healing oil.
And tie my brother nappy.
Your brother
nappy. And tie under my chin.
Oh.
To my head top.
Okay, but she clean the nappy first.
Yeah, man. And me, what you name I talk about people for chewing your eye, that are germs. You know what we used to do for pink eye?
Yeah.
Make up a nursing mother. A mother will have young baby.
Yeah.
Squeeze the milk in her eye.
Oh, where the backside there says squeeze the breast milk in the eye.
So that them they do with me.
Mad.
Yeah.
Anyway, them all read the news. Why you drop some knowledge for me in idea?
I tell you about one thread in the bus, and when him have the chink, and the girl said, Rasta man, so one chink on your shirt there. And said, every blasted thing man have on a grudge them.
Yeah, I know that joke. The professor not 17. You don't want everything on say black man, God. Yeah. Professor not. Take care of yourself here.
Guidance and protection, God bless.
Thank you.
Watch no face, and I watch when nobody I say.
Nah, that's your word, man.
I love what you said today. You bring back my dears.
All right, then you take care here.
Good.
Blessings. Cool. News time. To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
You have a mix-up, you know. First time on your program.
All right, Papa.
We just come to confirm something about them thing that we are talking about.
Yes.
Is it chiga?
Yeah.
I know something will come between the two, you know.
How?
Come in the corner of your toenail. The corner of your toenail.
Oh, okay.
It's not a fungus.
How?
It's a little beanie bug.
You sure?
Yes.
The chiga is a bug?
Yes, and it when you stay in the long, it make a bag. And bore a hole go right down, and when you get it out, it leave a hole in your toe.
Because the lady did that talk about the bag and the hole for true, you know, yeah.
Yes, and you see when you bust a bag there,
yeah.
It's a whole heap of little white nit.
And that we call post, no?
Yes.
Hey.
A whole heap of little white nit in there.
Oh, white nit?
Yeah.
Oh, so the bag really is like them. It's like the picnic them. Them I make the picnic them.
Yes.
So when they say nit come in like little lice. Cause we call when lice little bit we call it nit, don't it?
Yeah.
Like my skin and my blood are run cool right now. My skin are go. So you say it's like so when you bust it back, a little white nit come out there.
Yes, little white nit.
Oh, because it's their way of reproducing, you know.
All right. You ever see a fish roe?
A what?
Fish roe.
Me don't know how that. Me don't know.
You know fish roe? Say you don't know fish then.
Me know fish.
But you never see inside of the belly.
Yeah, but me don't know which part you call roe.
All right, the roe is the thing where them litter and make the picnic.
Oh yeah, me know that, but me never know say you call it.
Well, all right, I know what it name, the roe.
The roe, okay.
Well, you saw the bag stay.
Okay, all right then. Me understand.
All right, again.
Yeah.
You see the thing where you call the fungus now between the two?
Yes.
That you call it.
You can't call it, don't call the chink that B word there. And I'm wrong, all right, but we just know say Cardell Green wouldn't like that word there.
Yes.
So
it's when that little thing they get in your shirt, like all in the collar. And when you go in the bus, go sit down. That little thing then now come out until you reach in the crowd, you know. Somebody behind your sheep.
What you say? The chick now come out until you start in the crowd and I put on your swag.
That's right. That's the time he come out.
That's the time come
himself, like him come to expose.
Yeah, man, come embarrass you.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the word. You take care here.
All right.
Yeah, man, and thanks for calling in again with them
See what
local...
Michelle F. Hey, what make them people that come and done Michelle F. on the program, so?
Well, I saw a thing going everybody now like... So Michelle, say somebody I would like you. Say hello to the gentleman.
Especially all that girl that will come out, you know, like her, and I think the man so much, you know. Like the girl will come on and talk about, me not like her neither.
So what you have to say to that girl?
Yeah.
What you have to say to that girl?
She good, yeah.
Good job.
She good, yeah, too. She can't do what she can do.
Mad.
Good.
All right, you take care here.
All right, Raga.
All right. See it? You see me telling Emily, you gotta have some people that like you, you gotta have some people like you. That's how it thinks. Just like with Raga. You have some people can't stand me. I have some people at them say Raga. So it thinks it. Here we go. Well, why may I tell you I'm telling all the while the program is organic and it's unpredictable. Sometimes you don't know where it's going to go. We never planned any of this, you know. It just flow and we end up attack up the things and rate it. And we give thanks and remedies. But all kind of things up in our local Jamaica. Yeah. And we still the power topic anyway. Take it back. Take it back. Okay. Let me see if anybody ever take back anything from me. Yeah, but we're not too touch that right now. Moving right there.
Hello?
Hello? Yes.
Yeah, Raga.
Yes, but they I give
Let
time.
yourself. Me have a take you back store figure.
Where you calling from?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn in the building. Brup. Talk up now.
Raga, you know who I call, you know. So I'm not even going to bother say nothing.
All right, no bother say nothing. New York, coming on.
Raga,
Yeah.
I used to talk to a man who used to go to high school, right?
Yeah.
He used to work on a bread van.
Yeah.
And the man buy me school uniform and stuff, Raga.
Well, when you did that school, when you did that go school, you did that on bread van, man?
Yes.
Okay.
Raga no laugh.
So weird, why? You know what I say? You used to get your warm bread them regularly, though.
All the while, all my family used
Man.
to like, when he support the area, them always go to him and get stuff. But Raga,
I use a fresh bulla. Anyway, go attack. So you used to talk to your bread van, man.
And him buy my school uniform for go back to school and pay my school fee. Somebody have a high school boyfriend. So one day when I gone around and my boyfriend house and I look for him. My brother ain't come look for me now at my house. So my brother don't do a thing where I can't come over the guy yard. Raga, a piece of fight put on.
Wait, fight between who? Fight between who and who?
Him and the guy a fight, and then me couldn't stand up and make the two of them fight, so me go in night and he start to fight me.
Okay, so the bread van man start fight you and your high school boyfriend?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Start to fight it two away, Raga. He not do a thing when I come back around at the house and take away everything when the bike give me.
What was up?
Him buy my school shoes, my school uniform, and take back the money to pay my school fee.
Oh, God. Oh,
Raga.
God.
Yo, you want to tell you something? The month, you see Aries man, me never chat to a Aries man. And them are the original techie back.
Well, what month that?
From March 20-something to April 19.
So you're saying I ain't nothing with Aries man because of that?
And them are techie back, Raga.
No, but you can't have that one experience with that one man there and then just done all of the Aries man them made it.
Raga, you are Aries?
Me? No, me a Virgo.
Okay, you are good somebody, but in a while.
Oh, Virgo man?
Yeah,
no,
man. Virgo.
Moving right. No, moving right along. I could go on. Yeah, we talk about Aries man, I know. Yeah.
No, Raga, them a take it back.
Them a take it back. Okay.
Raga, a whole heap of time in give me stuff and take it back.
Oh, the same Aries man there?
The same man.
You see, because I don't want you to start read up Virgo man, we're going to stay with where you did. But not the Aries man. I joke me. But no, boy, that's the kind of cold though. But your brother never know the road code, or your brother just bring him over this.
I say, Braga, if I could have beat my brother, I'll beat him. He always sell me out for the local one there. But Braga, a good man still, you know, but let me tell you something. Yes,
well, you don't know what did that go on? Him did I give your brother bread, man. Your brother. If did I give your brother sell you out for half a bread? Tambourine.
Like, why you big him up still, you know, I'm still the boat.
Oh, the bread man? The bread man? Who? Are your brother?
Have a fresh bakery, why you big him up?
What name?
Brown man.
Brown man.
Yeah, from Maxil Avenue.
From Maxil Avenue. And when bakery name? When Ever Fresh Bakery?
Flavor Fresh.
Flavor Fresh.
Yeah.
Brown man, big up yourself. Big up yourself, brown man. Everything is everything. And that was it. All right, let's say a word here.
Yeah, man.
Yo, talking about things from back in the day. Well, ghetto a ghetto. So, you know, we buy full bread when you grow up a ghetto. Quarter bread, half a bread, and nowadays me and them all sell slice. A slice of bread. You never know that?
A regular box down quarter bread with 2 eggs.
Yo, when me deliver West Kingston, you know say back at West Kingston over there on them bakery, you know, cause you used to have one bakery out at Yewood Street over there. So we used to buy the bread them fresh. But you see when you come home, man, and the steam come off of that warm, soft bread them, man. And me used to dig out the middle, you know. When we say, and me used to dig out the middle of the bread, you know, man. You see, when my mother ready for slice, and she sliced the knife, just collapse right down, you know, can't nothing in there.
Hello.
Kingsley, come here. Don't know, say a couple wrap up that, you know.
Well.
Yeah, man, because we used to dig out the middle and you leave the top smooth, same way, you know. You understand?
But you know which bread used to bad to mangoes bread?
Mangoes bread bad.
Oh,
Yeah,
Jesus,
yes.
You want to catch it hot.
No, but me I tell you, say, hey, Richie, Jeremy, you ever buy bread at bakery and I'll just rest some butter upon it and the butter just melt and soak in that right away. Oh, Lord.
I don't know every butter can do it.
No, not every butter. Eh?
Chiffon.
No, we don't know. Well, yo, chiffon was Sunday butter, right? you to thank God to Mr. and Mrs. Mighty, but me not iron and talk. The only time chiffon butter did come out of my yard was when the Kool-Aid come out. During the week was lemonade
and shop butter.
And shop butter. Best butter. Best butter. Best butter. Ah! Best butter. See him so, Richie. See him so. But the chiffon, my mother did full of it. Don't think I tell her. God bless that woman. But it's when the chiffon butter come out on Sunday, it have to put under the middle of the table first. In the round.
I know your mom rush to get a booth.
Yeah. And while we could have gone in at the best butter, Mama was the one who shared the chiffon butter. And she would just steer till it scrape the top neatly. And just rub all and I said, Mama, I can't get some. It have to serve is what I'm doing.
Stretch.
It have to stretch. You think it's cheap. And then it go right back in the fridge. And then you go shop, go buy your best butter and thing. But when you melt that the best butter, then you have some warm bread, you know. Remember me tell you, man, nobody can talk to you. Nobody can talk to you. You understand? Boy. Okay, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes. What's up?
Yeah, my boss, me I say, oh, the MP, they will give you and take back, but in a Kingston, that one in a Raga.
Yeah.
Big man thing, you know, MP right now, give vice, she want to win and couldn't win, you know. In our community in a Kingston, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
You were the bicycle and the bite them.
Yeah.
And come back after she lose, Raga. Get the skin and lose. Come back, Raga, and take it to a neatly with police, you know, Raga.
Richie, play a song that quick. Play a song quick, man.
Serious thing, you know.
Okay.
Joke thing, you know.
Me hear a
serious thing. Raga. Come over tell me she name that the my credit can't done.
Oh.
Some woman put on a portion 1,500 woman put on for my phone, it can't done.
No, but hold on.
I have to tell you about that one, yeah.
No, but when me I say that, me hear the name, but the MP they never lose.
Yeah, no, man, the MP they lose. When she come in the community, she lose.
What you mean?
She lose. She gets slashing from a white man. You see me?
No, well, the wrong name you call because she never lose.
She lose. She never win in our community. our community, you know, me can't tell you, you know, because he's an activist, you know.
No.
Know that.
Richie, play a song there quick. Play a song there. Quick. Boom slow. Hey, I'm a caller.
Yeah.
My apologies. You know, somebody did that thing say I refer to the last election, but I never that one day did I refer to.
Yeah.
I did I refer to an election before, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so you say she didn't give a bicycle and bike and all them thing there?
Yeah, and take it back with police.
She come in and make police come and take back the bicycle and bike from...
Raga boy made idol for me, no, because she couldn't get it back in.
Tambourine!
Yeah. She couldn't get back for me because me have to hide for me one.
You see it.
Yeah, she couldn't get it because we decided we not get it. But only for my virgin one get take way back, but for me couldn't man them say hard.
You see it?
We not get it back. I real thing, Raga, I'm not joking, but you see, the first time calling your show, you know, because I love listening, you know.
All right, my king.
You see me, I know the dirty bad mind them not like you, but I good over evil, and God bless you. You hear that, my king?
That was a long time, and that's how the thing say.
Good over evil. People don't love to see you, but I strive over evil, man.
Long time, my king.
When the devil keep talking, you keep walking.
See it there, Papa, see it there.
Big up yourself, you don't know.
Blessings here, manners and respect.
Yeah, man.
Proper, take it back that. You know what I'm saying? And she come back with police and take it back neatly. Yo, never work that. Hey, that work. No, you know, neatly, everything. You know, someone just Jim screeching around me neatly. I be neatly around it up. Yeah, that's I'm gonna see where I go at. That's well, I'm not here.
We got bread back.
No.
And sugar and water.
Yeah, man, bread back. You know, say some people don't like the bread back.
No, I always from
me like the bread back. Me love the bread back. Me love the bread. But me don't say nowadays you can't tell them boy you're Raga, where are they? You're low, you know, boy, you like the bread back. Low the back, Raga. But did that work with them when you say you dig out the miggle butt, you know? Oh, God. Yo, you see everybody a confess. You know which topic we need for do again? Confession. Everybody are running now when them used to thief. You know, enjoy cat eyes llama. Raga, used to thief out the sugar in the last goddamn days.
No, I used to thief out the coconut trash before it's strained out. You have to catch it when it's fresh.
Yeah, let me tell you, man.
When it juice out too much in the night.
When my mother grate a coconut, she put with some of that side, mix it with sugar and give it to me. You understand? Worse like when me did have a grater the coconut them. You think a little time that my knuckles rub off on the grater? You understand? And my mother tell me you for grater down to the, you know?
To the little bump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mother did bad pan it doing.
I have to save the ox for when you roast. Breadfruit can catch fire good. I know the things.
Well, yes. Yeah. That's true. And the trashy part of the coconut. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but the coconut with the sugar, man, that did bad in them days. Yeah. I'm not lie. And yeah, me used to teeth out that too. But you know what my mother did have problem with me with? I don't even the sugar. Condensed milk.
But you gonna say milk powder.
No, the condensed milk. When you turn the milk and drop little in your hand milk.
Yeah.
And you dip your tongue in that the milk, man. Whatever, Michelle, me not there so. Me just say when me used to teeth milk. And think I have to eat Richie. And it's just a pleasure for you to drop your tongue in our milk, you know, condensed milk, you know. And to condense and Betty did that run. Then they bring one new one, but you never take off. Then they bring one new condensed milk. Yeah. Jamaican people funny about them something there.
I Betty will say Betty.
Eh?
Betty milk nice.
Betty milk nice.
Betty condensed milk in the tin? Yeah.
Well, we not jump on nobody case, but one time Nestle did that wallet over Betty and then Betty built back. But it was always Nestle and Betty. Mm-hmm. You remember one time, one thing where when you take off the label, you see some fish. You remember that, Richie? You don't remember them something? Eh? Yeah, man, Amber. You don't remember them something, them, man? No, we used to live for that, don't you, Richie? We don't pray God to the milk can don't say your mother go buy one. I'm not afraid for talk, I can't talk no, because I can't knock my body now. Trust me, man. Me used to go in at some supermarket in a Richie. And you see when me come out, you can't tell the Betty different from the Nestle, because all I labeling God, you know. All of the labeling. All of the label them gone, you know, man. By the time we get catching one box now, the man give me nice supermarket there. I say beer, and I left beer silver tin in here. Look a break now, I'm going to wipe up the PP off of the floor. I don't recall saying that, but wipe up PP off of the floor.
I never remember recall you saying that. But Raga, if them so intelligent and so well educated, why are they listening to your show?
No, well, him say him just have it for nationwide, kind of like nationwide.
Yeah, but you have a choice when your show come on. If you don't
well,
want
I guess it, like him said, them accidentally have it on, you know. So I guess Mark Wignall accidentally have on the show with him.
Him can't watch CNN at the time when your show go on.
No, but him say his point is, I could put it down here. So him say, Raga is simply giving us what we are most comfortable with, or what will just short of, or what will just stop us short of actually using our brains.
Well, then him can go watch CNN. CNN can make him use his brain.
No, basically, Mark, when I said the whole honest, I said, who like the show? I said, that set a damn idiot, I stupid.
Yeah, Raga, we know who is a set of idiot, but they are set up so much, they are set up bright people who mashing up the country. Them is, you know, Raga, when me I grew up in when now you're talking, I'm listening to you talking about this. That back days, and we used to enjoy them time. Don't Raga?
Yeah.
We used to enjoy it, and we never have so much educated people in other country. I know that we have so much educated people. We are walking around like we're dropping a star.
No, well, you know, so that is an argument I always make. If they're so bright and them know what is so good, why are we in the mess that we are in so much?
Thank you very much. Every day I'm saying I'm wonder the same thing every day. They are so bright, and still we are so way behind. With so much educated people who know what is good for Jamaica.
Well, I just want people to know that if them never get it yet, well, perhaps we can just be kind enough to remind them. The objective of this show is not really to educate. You learn a lot from the show, you know, but the objective is for people to laugh and to be entertained. That is what we do.
Exactly right. You know, so one time me have to take on one lady at my school for that too. Because she said, every day I'm at school. Anytime you're at short time come on me, I listen to it. I say, every day you get up and listen to Raga. And Raga is just exploiting, you know. I say, listen to me. And listen to me very carefully. The gospel grand of them in our church will exploit the people. Them want to go text it upon them and low Raga. Go on about your business. That's why the world is still in the gutter. I said, we want to sit down in the gutter and you want to elevate yourself.
And you mean that, and you meant that sarcastically, right?
Right.
And
then she cuss and she go, I said, listen to me, with so many bright people in this country, I think this country should be 10 times better country than it is. Galang, you must think.
Well, I know what is interesting. I have a philosophy that me feels that when you help somebody, the person you help now why you go tell nobody. Right?
Yeah,
that's just my thing. And me have a problem. You want me cut you off? Do something for me and then come take it tell me.
Me say for
you want me cut you off, you just do that. So because of that, I don't do that. But you know, say I honestly believe, even though I may not come out and say certain things, I honestly believe me help more people than most of my critics them.
Thank you very much, Raga. Me tell us Raga is 10 times a better person than enough of them who are discriminate against you. Because Raga, you are a person. Let me tell you, you have Michelle around, you have Chris Cross, you have Road, and all of them want to be with around you because you make them comfortable. And enough of them have them workers. If you see how them treat them, and you elevate people, who them are elevate?
No, but me I said the amount of school fee me pay for go teachers college, the amount of people me help quietly. And even things I would do on the show, but you notice anytime I criticize them, even today I know, where this whole thing where we go back in these practices in Jamaican culture, you're not going to hear anybody accidentally listen to the show today, you know. Is when the only time them accidentally listen to the show is when them hear something bad.
Exactly, brother. And them go on and them not helping nobody. And yeah, there's.
Well, you remember when the helper call in and talk about how the big shot people them rape her? Why nobody never accidentally listen to the day?
Because Raga them friend.
You remember when the issue come up with the little girl we get raped from the man at Chilani? Why nobody never act and we did a lick out and make sure so this get done and that get? Why nobody never accidentally listen to the day? Well, on, we could break. We're coming right back.
A mix up and blender time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back. Yeah, man, that's why things set my call and thing like that, you know?
Rather, because we tell it, them not help nobody, them not do nothing for nobody. Only thing them think about, them education, them have, and them education, them have, not doing nothing for our country. They are not doing anything for our country.
I know what I find fascinating, too. Some big shot people will keep a show, and the show is to make money, don't it?
Exactly.
And then people that keep them show all the while, whatever entertainment it is, whether, I don't know, Betty Wright or Yush or whatever, people keep shows all the time. And then the idea is that you put money in your show and you hope to make a money, and then people who work with you, them get job, police work with me all the while. Me all hire 20, 30 police on my work, and them get paid because Commissioner Ellington said they must get, and them get a little money outside of that. You know, people who make stage get money from me, people who do the sound, people who do lighting. So, in other words, I'm an entrepreneur who's providing employment for people, right? When we keep my event them, don't it? All right. Don't worry for other people keep events too, right? Why when me keep my event, me I exploit people, but when other people keep for them event, them not exploit
you know, rather, when we don't come on your show, Christmas Day, but I said my cousin for do something, so she said to me, where you go? So I said, you know me, I got a Raga show. Every day you mean I run up and down beer Raga. I said, listen to me, and listen to me very carefully. What I do with my life is my business. You don't tell me what I need to do. I know what I'm doing, and I know what I get out of Raga show.
Well on. But on a different level, if you have been going to my shows for a long time, you tell me, have you gone to any other show and see the amount and the amount of money when we give you my show, them give you any other show?
Raga, you're every day. You know, say somebody said to me, ask somebody for some money for God the day, you know. I said to him, to the people in man say, you know, so me I go somewhere on Christmas Day. Him said to me, say, I can't bet any money, Raga keep something. So I say, yeah. I say, I want the money for God. Him say, my money, that never get my money for God. I say, all right, no worry yourself. Me have my money already, so nobody worry yourself. I'm going to go, him will tell me, say, me, I give Raga my money for Raga get rich. I say, listen to me. Raga not get rich off a show. The kind of amount of money where Raga go up on the show. Me never got nobody show and see them do that. So Raga not get rich off a we. I'm say my money can't make Raga rich.
No, but just I said that type of irrationality and the unbalance and the inability to just exercise the most basic forms of intelligence. We say, well, wait, he might keep show like anybody else, so him can't be exploiting this and that.
Thank you for that.
Well, no, the point that them can't do that, it just speaks to what I feel is just a very pronounced hatred and dislike for me.
Against you.
You understand? Yeah.
It's just against you, because they are...
In other words, you see them people, all if me get up and say, see $1 million I have to help that charity, them are going to say, how am I up to now? How am I up to some wickedness him up to? There's nothing I can do for please them.
Yeah, but say just do
but you know, right, exactly. I'm not stop being myself.
It's not comfortable with being their self. So they don't like it because you're comfortable in being yourself.
Yeah, and the last thing, I say it already, I'm gonna say it again. You see, if I were I doing the same exact things that I'm doing right now, the same things, and they weren't successful, none of them would have a problem.
No, because they are, guess what? Because you're, as according to me, you're dragging down majority.
Me say, if me did not do the same thing, none of them would are not as successful in terms of the amount of listenership or what them perceive to be the money or whatever this, and them wouldn't have any problem. Because you have a whole lot of people that do very similar things to what me are doing. You know?
Yeah, rather you have people that do, but rather
and worse too. But
yeah,
nobody not see them.
Remember, tell them make with greater people seems like we are set of idiots and we don't know what we are doing.
Exactly.
And we are making you lead, we are straight like we can't think for ourselves.
Exactly. It's a paternalistic condescension. Their thing is that if I don't like that, how is it that somebody else like it? The other person who like it must be stupid. That is their conclusion. Yeah. Right? But anyway, a blessing still. Don't worry yourself. When they are going to see him. Yeah? All right. Marsha Clark's hot some Emily, she said, Raga, just give me 1 day for done all of the haters for you. Hey, a real warrior, you know. Real warrior, you know. Hey, I don't one girl, me stand up to kids. Toe to toe up on the wall, you know. Right. Marsha Clark's hot some. She not.
She not itch, man.
She not itch, man. She bring it, man. Me see. She not back from kids and she just bring it. Yeah, Marsha, don't worry yourself. Man, think I be a link, you know. Where she come from?
Yeah, where she come from. She and it them.
Yeah. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Take you back, Mixup. Hello.
Hello? Yes, I'm on the line.
I realize that.
Yes? So, Ragashanti, you want to hear it now?
Yeah, man, let me hear it now.
All right, listen. One woman call me up, you know, and they say she have my husband. So what you think of now? She start bother me, and send fire brigade come up my house, and him send Madden's something that to take up the dead, ambulance or all kind of something. So guess what now? She make one mistake.
Yeah.
And go call me and tell me what color clothes my husband have on. So me never do a thing no raga. More and say, oh yes, you know my husband and you know what clothes he have on. So what you think me do raga? In the night about 10:30, me take one taxi and go to the place so me know the address be. And you know cable and wireless, me hook up with them and find out which part them there. So what you think of no raga?
What you think of me? Tell me.
Girl, no didn't none at all when me reach. Cause she out with my husband. So me said to the man, say, where is Miss so-and-so? She not there. Me say, who is she to you? In wife. Me say, then 10:30 at night, no look when it's Sunday night and you know have your wife which part you there and you know which part in there. Then me say, one little picnic run come out, raga. Me say, who this? Who for picnic this? Is my child. Me say, then with the mama. He say, Mama not there. I feel picnic this. And me say, this hours and it. Me say, anyway, raga, me bring something for her, you know. But since I was not there, me I go give it to you. What you think me do, raga? Me a piece of board in the car when me know me I go walk papa with, you know.
Yeah.
But me not see him, me not see she.
Yeah.
Me just go in the car in the taxi, take out the piece of board and whap the man with it, you know.
Oh, what
What you think of me, raga? I'm the man with the raga.
What are they? Tambourine! No, man, I must lie here. Tell you can't.
No, raga. By the time the man to realize that me whap him, me jump back in the taxi and gone about me business.
Then what are they? So what you tell it?
The following morning, raga, me pass and me see the woman black and blue. But he can't say nothing to me, no, raga. And my husband can't say nothing to me either, you know. I remember say fear husband that.
Okay.
So what you think me do, raga? Me just lift up my big finger and me say, thumbs up, daughter, wait and get another section of it.
Another section of the board, no?
Yes.
So it look like her husband beat her up then?
And she beat him at the husband.
No, the husband beat her, that me I say.
Yes, because of her husband, me take the board and whap.
So hold on, this a woman here attack your husband, your man or your husband?
Me husband, married husband.
Married husband, and I take, and I call you, and I hype you, and I go on, go on.
Yes, sir.
And when you,
send ambulance, fire brigade, Madden sitting all them sitting there, come pick up the dead. That me I dead, you know.
Then how she get them to go over there? Because how she get
them to go over where?
How she get? Don't them not support?
Call in the place and tell them say they need an ambulance so and so, or they need a fire brigade so and so because you know them prank call.
Yeah. Oh, okay. And
yeah,
send them over here. So then you. Anyway, okay. Then so you
one
go.
Sunday night, no raga. She go call and tell me what kind of clothes my husband have on.
Okay.
So me realize that she really seems the true.
Okay. So and I saw you and I end up a go over for your yard.
Yes, and me go for your yard because me didn't make up my mind, you know, raga.
So you gonna give her a couple out of the piece of board.
But when me go there, she know the and the man come out to me and me ask him who him is.
Yeah.
And he say me come to me so and so and he say him are the husband.
Yeah.
So me say yeah the husband and you don't know which part it is ours. So when me look me see one picking come out, me say who that? And he say, I feel him picking it.
Right.
So me say, why mama? He said, she had the mama. And me say, this hours a night, and you see? Me say, all right, me bring something for her, you know. Me say, me go to a taxi, raga, and never do a thing, want to take the board. And And what the man, and by the time him realize I lick him again, big gun, me splurt.
You splurt?
Yes, I mean, I wait to get no lick.
Okay,
So the
okay.
following morning, me pass and me see the woman.
Mm-hmm.
So when me see the woman, she black and blue, I'll tears. Lick up. You know them brown people?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So me lift up my 2 big fingers, thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Can get a behind in from him now.
Right, okay. And your husband can't say nothing to you.
He can't say nothing. He can't come to me.
Okay.
He can't say a word. Him just have to keep in his belly, brother.
All right, you know, and hold it and cool down.
Right, you have to hold it cool with that.
Because
brother.
something tell me that hold on.
You know, me dress up, me do know, brother.
Don't say the B
From the
rider.
river.
Yes, say Pan the River. Say B. Don't say B rider. Here, don't say use a B word.
Okay.
Cardell Green.
have a
Hold
Pan the River.
on. Professor
I'm
Hope.
darling.
No, yeah, listen me.
Eh?
Yeah, man, I'm just telling you, Professor Hopeton Dunn and Cordell Green, they don't like that word. They hear the B rider word.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have a pond the river.
Pond the river,
What
okay.
do you think me do? Me go get a pond the sea.
Ah! Walande! Tambourine! What you say? You gonna get a pond the sea?
See,
Eh.
so you know so that I take life that kill a few.
That-
Like,
you kill me.
husband say,
Eh,
wow, you look nice. Me say you never see it all the time.
eh.
Hear him. No, you know, because you never used to have the skimpy dressing. Me say I wore it for this year, I go see because I wore it when I see it on the road.
So hold on. So when you tell me if I'm wrong though, but it sounds to me like what you're doing now is since your husband look like him a go off a sexy girl, you make sure so you sexy.
It's a sexiness in the yard.
In
too.
the chop.
So you can't, you have to spice up the relationship, you know, because if you see that happen, then that can't go far.
Okay. Then how the pandy see look?
On the scene of the bikini man, one tight string on the side there. Pan the river too much.
Yes, no man, you know what? Fear when I pan the sea, you don't want to pan the river, because fear one big, I don't like the sea. And
No, man, the sea thing is that you see pan the river thing, and in a bush that.
A bush that?
Yes. A bush business that, Raga, you mad.
Okay then.
A bush, pan the river, no, a bush thing that got too much step on you.
All right then. So you give him some proper bikini and...
He's a take life girl.
Oh, Lord, man.
So, husband just love me up every day now.
Mad.
Darling money.
Mad.
Him just care come give me. Just give me so. That's what me not ask for.
See it there.
Cause you never know him of all the time.
Hey, you don't know, let me tell you a thing about man too. You see, when you dress up so and all sexy and all them thing, man nervous when I know so that woman a touch the road.
Every minute for the day ain't call me nowadays.
Oh, Lord,
man.
man. We are telling you as a man. We like when you look.
I said, if you call me phone at the office to get my darling, I'm right there.
Right there sitting down because you're not going anywhere. Why? Anyway. Yes, I want you.
Live on the beach.
No. You're going to be on the beach taking life?
Yeah, I'm darling. Because sometimes some people look nice, you know.
Done them, my darling.
And sometimes I wink, you know. I wink sometimes.
Man, listen, you need to be careful, you know, because...
You're going home with
hold on, you need to take time with me, because you may make half a peep up the carpet and go tell Mark quick now. All right, you take care of you.
Better make it be a red carpet, if anything.
Yellow or red, nice color.
Okay,
anyway, you take care.
I want me hear my story.
All right, that's the hour.
All right, Raga, bye.
Okay. She not easy, you know. She not easy at all, man. Hey, Mr. Talk it already, we can talk it again. Anybody there at Jamaica and you're continuously bored, you just get up every day and you're bored, is you on board. Because the Jamaican character don't even really don't allow you to be bored, you know, if you just pay attention to what go on. Even amongst the bossy people,
yeah.
Even amongst the bossy people, whether government or whatever, them always up to some little thing or whatever. That if you look at it a certain way, like anytime me go get up, and just a walk around and whatever, and just a hang out. There's not one time I go get to have some drama and down there.
Some have to come out, man.
Even when it's something serious, you know.
You have to take bad things like
Yeah, even if it's something serious. I which girl thief my buckle? You know. Even when it's something serious, it's just...
Hey, that woman was attacked. She said, me I take life and them I take a few. And then she said in chat.
What you say?
Oh, yeah.
No, she said never take life and she take a few. That man, that thought the shot. Mixup yard, large up on the set, mixupyard.com, large up on the set. Them I take life and me I take a few. Yo, but hey, if I want to learn, I get to, you know. I'm big up my brethren, whether I'm dead and gone, but, you know, real street man hunting and hey, Jeremy, I used to teach me some simple little things, when, you know. All I used to tell me, say, them days the police used to run off away. And then, like, the first time I run, I'm going to jump the wall and think, I'm going to jump, bam, 3 boxes in my face. For what? Me never jump the wall good. You know, the time that you want to do back there something, you know, but a bad boy, you know, so you can't. I said, well, me never jump the wall good. I never jump the wall before you. Because me go over the wall before you, you know. And he going to tell me, say me not. And he said, no, that's why I see you. But he explained something to me what makes sense. And I don't agree with him do it, but I never forget it. It's when I jump the wall, me love to put my hand on the top of the wall and then pull up my body. So for a while, my up above the wall with my hand below me and the whole of my body exposed. The thing is, you must jump close, close to the wall and just roll over the wall so you don't go up on the wall, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So you spend less time above. And female argument, if shot a fire, when you up there, you were dead. And, you know, some little things where...
I like say I jump up, sit up on the wall and the whole of your body up.
Yeah, you know, so some little things where, you know. First time I go dance, Metro Media and I sleep and I beer lick to my face. Beer lick to my face when I get up and vex. I tell you, say, I have a knife or something. The whole of them feel it. God, them beat me wicked. But the truth is, you see, from that, I have never ever slept at a dance. And for them think, no, you know, go dance and sleep, anything can go down. You know. But him have a thing, man. Him say, whenever anybody come figure something to somebody, never you take it.
Yeah.
Never you take it. Him say, never you take it. Him say, anybody bring something for somebody, never, whether tell me that, never you take it. No care how good it is or what them want give for wall or whatever. In fact, him say, just avoid it. You understand? So when hey, you remember the order they come? You remember the order they come? One scene in there where Jimmy Cliff come up, hey, Jeremy, when Jimmy Cliff come up, figure somebody something and somebody said they want it and Jimmy said, the girl said, she said something like, anything you have for me, we take it, give me. And Jimmy just say whatever. And start follow up and, you know, gunshot or whatever. We're not too hype that, but, you know. Just I think about what she tell the man, say, she come for, you know, to service up his wife and she just go for the mood and give him what she bring for the wife. And move to the taxi, go see her with her little self around, go back
and she's on fine too, you know.
Yeah. And she know exactly where she are, you know, because she knows that anyhow she beat him with the board, you know. It's one thing, if she go there and ask and say, where she there and gone? Because when the woman come home, I'm going to say, you know, a woman come here and ask you,
yeah.
But you see when the wife come home, they know say, and that tree picker, tree board liquor. Hey, give me woman, come here. Man, okay, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Ranga, I'm having this little problem here, and I want to hear a comment on it.
Yeah.
Mommy, I have 7 of us.
Yeah.
2 of us living in Jamaica, and the rest in the States.
Uh-huh.
She had a house, but it locked up. So I decided that since I'm with the children, I like a hardship taking me now, I'm going to fix up the house and go and live in there. I have that as my home.
Right.
The problem is that Monday I start to fix it up. Tuesday I clean out all the rubbish now. I said, I'm going to move in and give it a lick with some paint.
Yeah.
And my surprise, my sister was from the street, come down and bring police to me and carry a letter that Mummy said she is the rightful owner for the place. And she had a house in the back, plus she took out one room out of the family house. So I'm just asking the opinion on it because I just don't, I don't really know what went wrong because I went to the station and I was blacked out. She took me to the doctor and she left me there stranded. And
who took you to the doctor?
My own sister took me to the doctor.
Okay,
but the doctor bill and leave me there. And right now she gone up back from Friday and the place is still closed. And I am in a race of 2 months rent where I'm is and the people that want in place. And rather to my surprise, I don't know what to do. I have children going to high school. Trust me, Raga, I'm in a mess right now.
No, well, listen to me right now. I mean, on the humanitarian side of it, we can just simply say, well, if them now use the house and you have your picnic them and whatever, and them now use it, why don't them make you use it or whatever? So there's that side. However, the way them things that work, that don't decide who go in at the house. At the end of the day, is who have the title for the house decide who can stay in the house. And you don't have any control over that. Me not have no control over that.
We know that, Raga, but listen, it's a lease land. So it's a whole family built, the whole 7 of us built the house. She had a house at the back, so she had one room with it.
Oh, she who? Right. She who?
The sister that come and lock up the family section.
But darling, well, I know this is really a mix-up entertainment show. But what I say to you is this: obviously, there is something going on between you and your sister. Why she fly down and lock you out of the house with your pit to them? There's something history, something that going on between you.
All right, listen, Raga, the other one them in the state turned to her and said she never needed to come to Jamaica because I'm out here and I would be the rightful person to live there and make the place up front because since of everybody in the state.
But well, darling, we know that, you know, and that is what me just say. Everybody, it's a common sense. And I said, then if the body now use the house and you have the dad, you have one of your mama daughter and her sister and the body now there use it. Me would have said, well, would I rather my relative in there, at least nobody not going to capture it or whatever. But me I say is, there is some, your sister now going to just come down and lock you out. So something not going on between you and your sister.
That is what everybody been saying, but I just don't know what is going on, Raga, trust me.
No, but you have to try work that out. And who for name upon the title for the house?
Mommy name is on the title. It's a lease place.
No, darling, well, I don't want it. If your mother name is on the title, you have to talk to your mother, forget your mother for make you stay there.
Okay,
right. If your mother can send you something signed by in the United States, you say like a notary public, or like somebody official, like if your mother can have write something and get it notarized by the equivalent of a justice of the peace or a senior police officer or a member. At the high member of law or a judge or something like that. You can show that document and your sister can't take you out of it.
Okay, Raga. All right, thank you, Raga.
Yes, man. All right, cool. Bunks and next caller from a good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Raga, walk on. You can't really hurt me, man.
I'll be laughing at it today, no?
Yeah. All right, me just want to big you up still, and me a long time listener, me always come and you show them when you come on Mandeville.
All right.
Yeah, man. So you take care of
listen, I'm glad you enjoy the show, them and thing and so forth.
Man, yeah, man. Lady, the cool man.
Which
one? The one who get send on solely on him. Man.
Yeah, man, give him couple of time board,
when me used to go, the first year when me left, coming to come back here, early last year, one girl been take over for me, man, too, man, so.
One girl, he take over your man?
Yeah, my husband now.
Yeah, how are you?
Take him over, so me just tell him to make sure, so when me come, the dolly house mash up and over and done with. Yeah, so when me come, everything did.
Oh, everything did, call you in a place right
there. Man.
All right, then. Blessings and respect here.
Yeah, man. Take care.
All right.
All right.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things.
remember, you know, and you put your picnic in a paper, you know. And you put your picnic and this in a paper, you could have leave out your picnic. And your stepdaughter. You alone, Mark Wignall. You alone. Boo for you. Boo for you. Memory, check to that. That's your word. Now, big and serious people, some man I make a point and people I make a point. Man, I say, yo, me done what him shouldn't involve me 15-year-old stepdaughter.
As in him a try to belittle you for self.
Yeah.
The age that somebody can realize that
Right. So some people never take too kindly to that, you know. They must say, Mark Wignall, people they must say, even if your daughter did I say that and whatever, they must say, one of you draw out your daughter, which is true. And thing because by your own writing you say, and you go tell her, say, you know, say I'm a Ph.D. in anthropology. And you ended your article by saying, I had to confess that sometimes analysis from the mouth of babes is more than refreshing. So him bringing him picnic in I, don't it? All right. I know so I now move to the picnic. Right? I now go follow him. I now go follow him. But
it's like, you know, like how some people put Shabbat name in a song for because that's the only way them feel them song can get a forward.
Yeah.
Like if some of them not put your name in them article, it not get read. Yeah, actually, because if your name never in that article, enough people don't know about the article. No, look on it that way there.
Well.
Actually.
Well, yeah, but Mark Wignall is.
No, but you get what me.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
If your name not in there, we not read it.
Yeah, Mark Wignall need me forget
no,
read that
but if your name never in there, we still would read it.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's true. At that particular time, because of whatever, you know, and thing. But you and several people have been saying, if we stop big up people, and whatever. And again, Mark Wignall is somebody who I talk to good. And they done me one time with the whole thing with the ordinary thing. But I can't understand that. Can me go at that time?
You had to, I mean.
Well, no. Wait. And then other times him talk favorable about me. Yeah, Mark Wignall, I have a couple articles on Mark Wignall, right? And essentially a big man. But now this is the opposite of that. So something happened.
Chip out like a fridge.
Yeah, something happened for make him, because his articles before, the context of them, was like, him not listen to me. I don't feel him thing, but him understanding. You understand? And I can't respect them people. I say, yo, Raga, your thing and my thing, you know. But me understand, say it's just entertainment. Yeah, though. Yeah, so another context. You know, in a ghetto, you know, when we grew up, people say, boy, if I laugh at, you know, myself, you know. If I laugh at what, it's a common term.
If I laugh, my puke.
Yeah, if I laugh at, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
This that if I laugh at, you know, me say people up myself, but you know, it's a common phraseology used and things. So, you know, the context of the show, or we talk and or we go on in terms of what the aesthetic is about here.
And even the brand of the show, it go with the brand.
It's a part of Jamaica. And the question again is, should not that part of Jamaica be represented on radio? It has long been the case that it's only bright people and things supposed to be on radio. And given our radio has been liberalized and, you know, and expanded, and we have multiple options, and there's the opportunities for, you know, the representation of different segments and sectors of our culture and our society. Why not have, you know?
But you know what I don't get, and this is very ironic how them say them more bright people on the radio. You're a bright person, you get me? No, what I'm saying is
they don't mean that.
Them don't trust the initiative.
No, they don't mean that. They don't mean that. You must only be bright if you deal with things what them are dealing with. Sad. You know, and I just think it is really sad on Mark Wignall's part, you know. You see, the way, given that he wrote several articles before, I say, yeah, boom, bam, bam, and I'm gone this and now, and I take it to the point where a 15-year-old stepdaughter from Immaculate, make sure and put that in there to him. I know if you see the little subtleties in there.
Yeah, man.
You see the little subtleties. It's 15-year-old stepdaughter from Immaculate. make sure him put that in. And you realize the game that is being played.
Yeah.
Because I guarantee you, if him 15-year-old stepdaughter did I go Tivoli Ghana complaint, him wouldn't put it in there.
Him would have put it. Him would have put
Him
it.
would not put it. Right, where you say that German say him wouldn't put it in there. So may I say, you see those little subtleties, make you aware of the game that is being played. And it's a manifestation of, again, the oppressive elitism that exists here. He would never have put that there.
That's
if
true.
him stepdaughter did I go Holy Trinity or whatever.
That's true.
Him's 15-year-old stepdaughter from Immaculate. And so he's creating a context and a thing. He's creating a contrast. He's creating a dichotomy about who bright and which side, So him bright, the wisdom of his bright. Whatever. And for him just come out and say what him say, him basically, I say, I'm daughter, I say. And you see, I mean, I've never known Mark Winner to be a coward, but it does.
Talk your mind. What around say talk my mind?
Yeah, Mark. You should
talk your mind.
Step out yourself.
But here what? Them have a talking a ghetto. Them have a talking a ghetto, and we're going to beat them bad. We're going to beat them bad.
Aye, boy. Oh, yeah. Well, on there. You remember the policeman where somebody post come have the star right there, so You remember the one where the man run out of the cop, run out of the police and run out? Yeah. You know what's man dead? Well, on it. Turn on it. Yeah, well, yeah.
The old man dead?
Yeah. Man dies a second time. That the star said. The 80-year-old man who was thought to be dead before he suddenly awoke from his slumber, startling police officers and funeral parlor workers, has since died, the Star understands. Percival Robinson from Craig in Manchester died while being held for observation at the hospital, the Christiana police confirmed last week. Last week, the Star reported that the man was declared dead by police and was being taken to hospital to be pronounced dead by a doctor when he awoke. On Friday, when the hospital was contacted, workers said that only the hospital's chief executive officer could speak to the press about the matter. Contact was made with the CEO, who promised the Star that she would make an inquiry and provide feedback, as she was not familiar with the case. However, none was provided. Residents who knew the elderly man said he died only days after he was admitted for observation. The Star had reported that residents found the elderly man, who lives by himself, motionless and appearing lifeless. Police examined the body before summoning a funeral home to pick up the corpse. Police and the parlor workers were traveling in the same vehicle with the body, taking it to the hospital when they heard sounds coming from the rear of the vehicle where the supposed dead man was. They had the shock of their lives when they looked around and saw the man who was wrapped in the white sheet sitting up, and he was coughing too. They speedily abandoned their vehicle and fled to a nearby shop where they revealed what had happened to those present. A group of people went to the vehicle where they spoke to the man. So that man has since died real quickly too.
A stress.
That was...
I'm tell you, God never ready for the man.
Well, on. I hope I never will for people. I go, so are you them they said they dead?
A stress, man. Go see them proud up the man.
You really dead or you are dopey? I bet you say people go to the man and take set pan a little 80-year-old man and tell them. They're not dead if you're dead, man. Then what you do, you mind,
And the man
I mean, I treat him or whatever.
Oh, God.
I nah treat him or something or whatever. I bet you say a crazy thing with him.
Him could hardly drop out the first time for training, go reserve in place in heaven and say, yo, I want to go and fix up my soul forward. I have little business to take care of. So, the apartment ready now, him gone. Yeah, you might chill out for the new year. I'm just saying.
Jermaine, do we have a doctor nearby? Or a psychiatrist? A psychiatrist, right? Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Medea.
Mama.
Mama, where you say?
In a there.
Mama.
Link. Y'all them a fight against them, can't stop you.
Nah, look for them, but we done them quite the same way.
So them see them bad mind and corrupt and black people, they make nice and better from them.
Mama, you can't really say that. You have a whole heap of
Yes,
nice...
man. No white people don't sit down and chat and fight against people that like black.
Well, you know, say it's funny you say that, but I always find it amusing that the really rich, wealthy, powerful white people in this country. Them
no time for watch people.
Them no time for watch Raga. Who is Raga? Them they live them life, and that has always been an interesting point. Whoever them name, Ashley Nine.
What you call about, you know, like Michelle, a bad mind she have.
A bad mind she have too.
I feel with a text spring.
Marie!
It's fresh and nice, like fresh vegetable come from market. The whole face girl.
All face girl.
Bad mind a killer.
You see it. I said never give Michelle a fight.
Yeah.
Michelle, you know, Michelle a start to. She not gonna be as good as whatever. You know, when me did a start, me never good.
They never have things to fight against people.
Yeah, you know.
That is the black people.
Black
they
people.
Always fight against them. Because she all are so good, all look corners bag, girl, but she like Michelle, I go, she go.
What you say? She could all what?
Corners bag.
Corners bag.
Scandal bag, we blowing her up in a fence corner.
Yo!
They say they are good as good, nice girl. That's why them not like you. Them not like good people.
Well, Jeremy, Michelle, I talk to Mama, yeah.
Down.
Yeah.
You love Mama now?
Bless up yourself, Mama. Happy New Year.
I want my friend.
No, oh my God. Yeah.
Just go and read the Bible and keep the devil away. Read Psalms 91 for evil them.
Bless up.
Yeah.
So, Mama, what go on otherwise?
This man when me there with Raga, if him buy me a suit Saturday and take it back.
Him buy a suit Saturday gone?
Yeah, and take it back to me and him in a local argument.
Oh, for real?
Him buy all falls day and Christmas and take it back like he want it to wear.
Well, what you mean him take back a falls here?
You don't know when man buy woman something and the man catch up and then take it
no,
back.
but when him take back the falls here? Eh?
Not Christmas, Grand Market Day.
Grand Market Day, him take back the falls here?
Yeah.
What did Amma? Tell me the drama. Or him come to take it back?
Alright. Everywhere me go, Raga, come here do me look juggling. Me pop down now and me attack to you, Raga. Me not straight to tell you well brought down, you know.
Alright.
I thought I look for family help me up a way and I lend me a $500 US, you know.
Right.
I me juggle it and pay him back by na Christmas in then in December and I me juggle sell my little thing and pay him back, you know.
Uh-huh.
So I said to him, buy me a pack of here like for Christmas. I'm not going to go nowhere because I don't know me have to try to make a money coming in. I'm sporting up and down right now.
Right.
Anyway, I buy the pack of falls here. I got me and him kick off. When me ready for girl come to do me here, no here me can't find.
What? So what the year did they?
You know, take a year and hide it. So me go take my baby father now, my baby father come in a year store and buy me back the same pack of here like when this buy.
Yeah.
And when him come in to me here, well, fix up to one shame, he couldn't ask me get here. And when he look up to I didn't hear in same place. I'm here well done.
Okay. But no, he shouldn't take back the year, though. You know.
He take back everything, Raga. Everything when buy, give me a man, he take off, he take it back. He give me a slide up phone, he take it back. Everything he take back.
No, then you not talk.
Everything.
You not talk to him about it and say you can't deal with him, Mr. Take it back.
No, as the woman say, them man, they were ruler them money, they take it back. It's not like she tell his truth.
Well, is that Aries man too?
Yes, he born the 10th of February.
The 10th of February?
10th of February in born.
Well, and February at Aries? No, man, February at Aries? No, man, I'm not Aries that. I'm not here.
In born February, I take it back. Near March and April. March rule up in a March. February, March, take it back them.
No, No, February at Pisces. I take him at Pisces.
Yes. Sometime down in night, we go back to that part. Remember, say, have a date where it stop, you know.
Oh, okay. So from, I think, so wait, Jermaine, from February going to March at Aries? Eh? No, Mr. From February going to March. What sign is it? That a Pisces? So
Pisces.
No, man. Then February, from January to... Oh.
All right, my spices, then when I take it back, I rule down near up to March.
Okay. All right, then.
Yeah.
I'm not too familiar with them and whatever. But him a real Mr. Take it, but him can't take back everything, so as you and him kick off.
Everything on that face of earth, everything is a man. Everything a man.
But him sound very jealous, man.
In a full phone jealous, he's a madman that. The right man and behave so.
Then tell me something, Mama. You're par with any man for make him really concerned.
No, Raga, but you see this year right now, if you even listen to radio, this is 2011.
Yeah.
Me now bubbles up and pick up, not now wait for no man when I come back, nothing in my bank book. I interest have to go upon it.
Okay.
And him now put on for me, I do me look juggling in and left no money in and left nothing, and just I watch my money, so I watch everything. So then he got to go tell him friend them pay, like then if you all nasty face friend them pass up pay remarks and they don't know how money spend.
See it there.
And him brother now, see him brother what you mean him walk and go down the road. If you don't left that girl, then I deal with me again.
When brother say what?
If you not left this girl, enough to deal with him again.
If him not left you, him not to deal with him brother again?
Yeah, brother say not to deal with him again. For the time with the hot water and he stop me friend, then go tell him brother, one if and six. All the time when me call Raga, them go talk all when me not say. Oh, me say my wash underwear and one if I mix up and that in friend and I turn and walk and tell people and I'm out him and say my wash underwear. I never say that for your radio station.
Okay.
So them a mix up and blend and hypocrite. All him brother we are talking, get a big jacket with his wife when I have no pocket and nobody never tell him to let his wife.
So you get a big jacket without no pocket?
Without pocket. And nobody never tell him to let his wife and his wife will give him bun and give him jacket. I'm going to feed church, brother.
Okay. Mama, me this is something I started one time and I did wonder if I you. Did you?
No, sir, I'm not fighting again. I'm not money this year.
Okay. I should miss you one thing in that.
Waste people to go and kill off themselves.
Okay, miss one thing I
started. Mama go and listen, get some money. So Raga now, one camouflage artist will live by the place which part me live up in a Franklin town.
Yeah.
Bring in a woman.
Yeah.
When a woman gonna work. Bring in a woman.
Well, on, careful me, somebody a short back at you. Yeah?
Look out what camouflage man say my wobia man. I'm in monthly rate.
Right.
In back of that Raga start out the girl right and proper way in a monthly something.
Right.
The girl do not want left the something in the bathroom, in the rubbish pan we have in the bathroom. When the woman come on parrot, the woman can't find it. One piece are running up and down with machete all over the place.
Oh, the woman are running down with machete.
The woman are running down with machete and him have one machete. The woman have one and it's what them are run down them one another. One piece of disgrace.
Well, that artist where everybody know.
Yes, man, everybody know. I mean, coming out a certain man video.
Oh.
Sing and, but me can't tell you how which artist. I forgot to tell you 5 years.
No, me know.
Me not thought the bed bug one, you know, we love the white folk, you know.
All right, you're not at the bed bug one we love wear white clothes. Another one they have. Another one.
You see, bed bug, I chink come here, I talk about on the radio, and chink us up, we love white clothes.
All right, well, on, Mama, play a song there, Jeremy, play a song. Yes, Mama, all right,
yeah.
we know the artist now. We see, but you mean a video with the real big artist, man?
Yes, that's why big artist Bunny Mout and I want him again. I step up at studio gate uptown and beg. I get not even inside and can't go kind of qualify.
Well on. The real big artist that are around the place now. But okay, now deal with him again.
I'm going to throw him out long time and take back all the care when it's by him.
Okay. All right.
I'm bad man, you know.
Okay, we see what I go on.
Yeah. When I can't stop the superstar, because my artist that.
Are your artist that?
Yeah, man, Beanie Man and Sizzla, my artist.
Him, Beanie Man and Sizzla, your artist, the big star.
Yeah, my artist. Kill me dead picture of them.
And you not, then why you...
I'm not leg, I'm not switch, I'm not change.
What some people are saying about the bleaching though and the...
We don't respond to bleaching, I'm money to bleaching, if you don't have money, you can't bleach.
Okay.
And people with bad mind can't bleach right now, go come. A good mind people bleaching, come at 3 mind people make his skin look so nice, and them grudge him. Don't stop bleach, Mama said that.
Well on, Mama, we're going to take a break, so I have to come back to you, man, and talk to you about this matter. Well on, man, we'll take a break and come back there, so far.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yes, Mama. Some people are getting twisted a while ago. Mama did I talk about a different artist who used to par with Cartel, okay? So it's not Cartel she talk about. Mama said Cartel.
Which cartel? Tell us just fix up the argument. You're not talking about full cartel, mad.
Okay, so right now, Mama, you say Sizzla, Beenie Man, and Cartel are your three artists. Them
Yeah, my three artists, them there.
and you nah switch.
I'm not Lego.
So what you say, them, your Cartel have a song, say the whole of them are watch it teach and thing. You think them a take it for them?
Them lucky, them if them can't stop it, man, I kill them. I don't kill them if bad man, the rest I hope they cancer.
So what you have to say about the bleaching, you know? Again, what you really have to say
Cartel
about?
bleaching, cartel don't stop bleaching as long as you have your money.
Oh.
I love it when me ready me bleach too, you know.
When you ready,
and then me stop, you know.
But Mama, you have.
So me know want my skin to really mash up.
Okay. Then
Yeah,
you're not free.
I'm on it right now. I'm not stop at 2011 days.
No, but like how you rate up Cartel and thing, you don't want film skin mash up. No, you have to, no. Say Pon the River, you say, don't say beer.
Yeah, Pon the River, me Pon the River. Me like me Pon the River them.
You like a Pon the River them?
Yeah.
So then, Mama, what you have to say to the people, them know, because you them a take up this thing, you know, I say the bleaching, you know, it's like you eat your blackness, you eat yourself, them say.
Some say you have to eat your blackness, because so the people, them, some my black one, their mind not clean. Some say you know like your black skin, you know. So the people, them, their mind are right. Some of them skin work, so the color them skin work with them art.
No, but Mama, what you really say? Oh, you mean you must sometimes you must eat?
Yes, Raga, because me go hell with black people, them are right. Me not have no luck. Anytime I take a black man, me sad.
So you take a black man, you sad?
Yeah, me sad. But anytime I get a brown one in my life, that the black one, me never work out with the black one. The black one no good.
Okay. So
the black one me have right now where I give me head.
So you don't like black man then?
No, I would never breed for a black man.
Okay, I just brown man you gonna breed for.
White, no nigga, Chinese or white, or cool, Syrian.
You still a chat to you look a white man there from what day? You and him know in a
yes, he might come next month. Next month he might come from foreign.
Okay, next month he might come from foreign. He might send on.
Yeah, man.
So you have
I'm not too with him, as me tell you, send to right impact though.
Oh yeah, because him sort out not too, him sort out not good, him sort out not good, and a man sort out of a shell down if he might come roll with it.
That fell off.
That fell off because I used to bring it and bring it hardcore down.
Request back we deal with, request.
Request back.
Yeah.
I'm for want it.
CD will scratch up.
You can't. Listen, Mama, you know nothing with CD will scratch up.
No, we scratch up. We love a record. We love an all-time fashion record.
You see it. And I use a Cartel, use a Beenie Man, use a Sizzla.
Cartel to the world.
And Beenie Man.
Gaza, me say straight.
Gaza, you say straight. No,
straight,
but so
straight Gaza.
I'm Beenie Man and Sizzla.
Straight Gaza.
So what about Gully?
My people say Gully, you know. But me not say Gully, me say Gaza.
Oh, your man say.
Cartel.
The man who you there with a Gully, him say.
A Gully is a country mind not clean, he say Gully.
Well, no, but Mama, you can't say that. Mama, you can't say that.
Most people me say Gully, no bad mind people them. When me listen and know me yeah, most of them will say Gully.
No, Mama.
Bad mind.
Mama.
And the Gully I see him.
Mama.
Some of them, not all of them. Some of them.
Mama, you know something like. You know, hey, what they when Chris Cross one Cartel make a dub plate. You hear the tune, the one where say thank you God, right? Or thank you Jah. You know say my Cartel that. But you know say me love Gully song too, right? And things. So Mavado, you know, Mavado they on a level right now when peace.
Everybody have their choice, you know, some eat beef, some eat pork, some eat chicken, while some eat vegetable.
Hey, but when I say like Gully have some good tune too, man. You know, check out the Gully tune.
Well, me not Gully business, because for me born and gonna Gully not so me can't say Gully.
Okay, you know I say Gully. I just
no,
straight Gaza.
I love bleaching, I love Cartel.
Okay. All right, then, Mama, not say a word here.
Yeah, me there anyway, Raga, so you all right?
Yeah, Mama, they are wallet, you know, the dirty old crosses, dirty wicked people, them I move to me.
It's not the one for them and get behind me, Satan, because them can't stop us, so them see them not like September people, September, I'm born, we have Virgo, them not like, we get fights in all angles.
I saw it, but we say strength, though.
And we say strength, and we not make them broke with us.
Never! You see it, and we use them negative energy and turn it in a fuel and make a plane fly with us a source.
I'm telling you what's up face, and I want to look out pop down spring face girl we call about, you know, like him. She not go nowhere. She go just for a subject. She not need a subject, not object, not Maggie. Nothing she not have.
Tambourine!
And chat me to go, we not respond to black people. We not respond to them out where it's salt and pepper.
You see it? Okay, talk up the things, and Mama.
Salt and pepper hold we down, but I got over evil with your life over death.
Mama, enough of them a run to the broadcasting commission and them a talk up, them on the broadcasting commission get rid of we and be a sit. That's
them can't get rid of hold God alone.
God alone got in our heart.
Them go and talk and chat. Them could even fight and put up hell gate. We have trampled on that.
But all right, Mama.
Trample wicked people. Walk on them.
See it
like
there? See it there? That's a word here, Mama.
Then give me help in a rag, a whole heap of help, Mama get, a whole heap of fight, Mama get, and then chat all kind of things about Mama.
You see it?
And the more them chat, more Mama prosperous.
See it there?
It's a time we have to drive past them right now, leave them walking.
You see it?
And talking.
Michelle, I ask you something.
I saw me know me love you. September, I want to, The whole I would terrible.
How date of September you born, Mama?
The 16.
Straight Virgo.
I'm a mother on the 17th.
Straight Virgo.
Ma.
Virgo to the world.
We're not lucky with Oma, but we're lucky with some man. We're lucky with man friend.
That's true.
But we don't have nothing to do with woman, because naked girl roll and that, so we don't bother to keep them company.
Yo, Mama, you're sample.
Yeah, we're not lucky with them. I know that. I prove that million times. After you and my friend, a couple don't lie down the line, them bad man, and talk all kind of things about you.
See it there?
Girl, them bad man. A bad man, girl, and girl, if you listen, come off of Michelle, Mama said that.
Long time.
And let me know a problem made and damage up our body.
All right, Mama, no, but we know why you know her. We know why you know her.
Big up Buddy Boy in the arcade. Big up the whole arcade. Pernell Charles arcade.
Yeah, man, big up Buddy Boy, man. And big up Pernell Charles arcade and everybody,
big up the tailor in the arcade. Buddy Boy straight and my tailor that.
Now say a word, Avil and the pink and white family large upon herself. Do so. Yeah. Russian.
I myself out the front. They were selling of the juice card.
All right, they large up for large.
Everybody, we have big up all Franklin town. We have big up and we live and we have make look up food.
See it there. Large up yourself. Here, Mama.
Yeah, big up yourself to Raga. I read Psalm 91 for evil them.
Psalm 91 under them nastiness.
I want some let us start any name 3 times when they are reading it. That's if them not come off for you.
What you say? When I read Psalm 91, if I call them name
3 times. I tell dangerous things to read them.
Okay.
Mama tell you that.
Okay, so I'm going to read Psalm 91 and I'm going to say women's media watch it.
All the woman, all the man and our pitney yesterday, just read Psalm 91 for them and it's what happened to them.
The who?
You don't have to touch them, you know.
Oh, you mean Mark Wignall and him pitney?
Yeah, you don't have to touch them. Just read God's Bible for them. And we on site and stamp for them the wickedest way for you.
I'm going to read it and say, Kia.
Yes, 3 times I jump for them. I you that again.
Mad.
Yes, a big up yourself, straight Raga. We love you.
Love you too, here, Mama. It goes.
Please.
Mama.
Straight Gaza with
no, Mama, me no want you vex still, you know, cause me we tell cartel straight to, you know, whatever say. You see, bleaching thing, me not support it. You know, say Mama, you know, say we have to keep it real. Cause I have to tell you what I feel, don't it?
If me have one man and he like to bleach, I will buy the bleaching cream for you.
But Mama, me I tell you, and me and cartel, we move good and whatever. Me tell cartel, me say cartel, me not really like that. Big man thing.
No, but if he start bleaching, I'll get extra black, so this has shipping continue.
Yo. Anyway, Mama, you're sampling, you know. You're the real deal. You're the real deal. Them either like you or them not like you, but you keep it real and just talk it as it is.
Yeah, we don't watch them, because as long as they have your money, you can find the one of food. You don't watch the dirty people want to chat about you, and as long as they don't scrape a girl or a boy pot, you know.
Mama, why you know, say, you see how you keep it real and you just talk, and you just loyal. If you defend somebody, and you keep it real.
Yeah.
Maria, man, and you don't know, say, You know, if you have my link, you know, Mama, because if anytime you need me assistance or anything, just let me know what is what.
Anytime I want your assistance, Raga, I call Ruthie and get her.
All right, now say a word, man, because you don't know.
Yes,
maximum
Raga,
respect.
I love you and big up on yourself.
I love you too, Mama. That me say without apology.
Wicked.
Yeah, what they have for them?
At 2011.
Mama, you know, if them want war,
kill them out.
But
no progressive.
No, Mama.
You know, so then the people we attack are non-progressive elements there. Yeah.
Mama, and if them want war, we war them back too.
Yeah, and if they want war, we not bad. They don't like pretty good people, blossom and bloom. Because two for them tree can bloom, not blossom, because for them tree a man tree. But for which you are bearing tree.
Long time.
Long time. And we ever blossom and we ever be. Because mango ever be already a mango season.
You see it, mad.
Yeah.
Them for no. That's how I think said. All right,
yeah,
Mama, you take.
Can't stop you. Them can't stop Michelle and girl. Go away.
All right, Mama.
That's a subject for yourself or an object.
All right, Mama.
I don't make it pass, but like a me lover.
Brap. All right, Mama, you take care here.
Yes, Raga, I'm big up yourself.
Bless up yourself, Mama.
Long time. It look like Mark Thompson post some of Psalm 91. You know? Well, it look like him post the whole line. The Lord is my refuge, and you make the most of your dwell. No, man, it like him take out some. No, him no, man, I don't eat that. Look, that. Oh, that's some verses out of it. No. The Lord is my refuge, and you make the most of your dwelling. No harm will overtake you. No disaster will come near your tent. And it look like him taking another one of the more modern Bible, don't it? Yeah. For he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and the cobra, and you will trample the great lion and the serpent. Because he loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue him. I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name. He will call on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life, I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. You know, here endeth the reading of the Lord's holy word. Hold on. K.
Step, stamp your foot too.
Here we go. Cordell.
Stop again.
Mark Wignall.
Stop 3 more times. I want to know, just give them one big spin.
No. Well, you see Tambourine for them. One night them. Oh, what vibes is so? Oh, what happy so? Well, Mark Wignall, I like this, because I'm not believing in God.
Oh,
yeah, he's an atheist. Yeah. Then Mark Wignall go on Ian Bourne show, man, and him say, the way I believe in no God right now, him say, if there is a God, God kill me right now.
The last person
Here we go. Give me our next caller. We used to mix up. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
Just wanted to give you a story about the whole take it back issue.
Talk to me.
I heard of a baby father who treat me like the diary of the black mad woman.
Okay.
And it happens that him give me a Cartier watch. And when him give me the watch, and over 8 years out of the relationship, things no work out, so I decide to leave. And when I decide to leave, he make me pack everything. When me ready for pack the watch, him say, no, baby, I'll leave no watch here because it's very expensive. It happens that him take back the watch. When him take the watch, him move in the next girl like probably 2 weeks after I leave. Then my son called me and said, Mommy, him woman wear the watch. It never work out with she. So it happened that him move in a different one. Him give she the watch. And I said this I go down the line with the whole take it back thing.
Oh, so him just keep on a take back and I get the new one. Take back and I get the new one.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Anywhere England him come from, and them say some England people just mean.
Yeah, me always hear that, but yeah, I'm sure you have some kind people from England, man.
Yeah, you definitely have kind people, but him, no.
Nothing, him just straight me like that.
Straight mean.
So you have some people that can't even put the faith in them kindness, because as things come to bumper them, I take back them sitting, don't it?
Right.
So other kind people.
He's that.
Okay. See,
Yeah, that's it though.
Anyway, blessings to that one there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, manners I respect. You take care.
All right.
Man, just keep on and take it back and take it back. New one. See, I watch your boom. Well, I broke up. Give me back that.
What a day when the battery dead.
No, but no must use battery.
Oh, well, yeah.
Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Afternoon, Raga.
Uh-huh.
What a go on?
I am just going, you know.
Oh, Merry Christmas and a
I'm
Happy
just
New
so
Year.
going. I don't want to say Merry Christmas to you, too.
Yes, and that was a blessing, Raga. I say I love Mama. Mama done them a while. I mean, nobody else said not no
Mama,
more.
keep it real.
Yes.
You don't know, Mama, talk up the things, them. Social roll. Yeah.
Raga, me have a mix-up figure. Me say that one, yeah. I don't take it back, but that one, yeah, sell off.
Yeah.
Popular entertainer, too.
Uh-huh.
Portmore, we are go, Raga. Portmore.
Over there with that now. I'm across the bridge already.
Yes, right as you cross the bridge, Raga. Right as you cross the bridge.
Why go down here?
Bridge.
Rinse.
Yes, man. This entertainer live with him woman over there, Raga. And them have a shop.
Yeah.
They have a shop together.
Yeah.
The man, the girl we are working at the shop, right?
Yeah.
She and the man get into things. Apparently, I don't know who pinch the wifey and tell the wifey. I mean, I talk 2 avenues away, the shop, the 2 avenues away from where the wife live and the husband.
Right.
And the girl have one baby, the mate have a baby for the man. It end up rather than Cas. When the night now.
Well on. The mate have a baby for the man who own the shop.
Yeah, the woman own the shop.
The woman own the shop.
Right, but then what husband and wife I know one again or 2.
Yeah.
Right, what for me?
You right?
Right.
Okay.
So the girl working there, she come out, but rather she go like she own the shop.
But she breed and pick the theme one away. The wife don't know about the picnic.
The wife no know.
Okay, go on talk. That me just
but
one.
She go like she own the shop.
The mate go like she run it.
Yeah. The wife no know nothing what go on, you know. So wife, you are my worker, so you have my number, of course. She texts wifey. The shop for open like 7 o'clock. She texts wifey. She can't open the shop today till 8:30. She's sorry about that. Just like that. And I give wife a big attitude. Anyway, wife fire Raga. Yeah, so the mix up there now because wife fire. She vexed with the man because she said the man met the wife fire. She want to get back at the man. So she texts the wife now and tell the wife, oh, the man have the baby where she have for the man. The man come around a fear yard now. Nearby, the 3 of them live nearby now. The man come around a fear yard. Everybody then, police come. And because them did a go on loud, so somebody call police and police come. The man tell the wife, say, I know fee pitney, and a battery the girl get. A country she come from and them battery are a country. Him don't even know how the girl stay.
What?
Yes, Raga, him don't know how the girl stay, and a battery the girl a country. And Mr. Raga, if you see the pitney are the dead stamp of the man, you know.
You see it?
Yes, and she got, but here she know, Raga, she's a big idiot now. The mate me attack. Hear her. Oh, you mean say you don't know how we stay? You remember say I run a Elsa around the room, they run a Elsa, you did carry me. I remember when your wife call you, you did the attack. Boy, when the war that she called me for, when she called me for. Oh, you mean you don't know how we stay? I don't got Elsa, you carry me, I know 1 or 2 times. But Raga, what me I say? It's alright, so they are theme status. You can't get me got Elsa immediately about so that you have to get me got Pegasus then, no get me got Elsa run at the one room there. And you there they are post on the wife and try to prove something. Anyway, Raga, she bust out the birth certificate. So she got to the police.
Quick here. Yeah.
I'm for sure the police the birth certificate. So the baby, the man name not depend the birth certificate.
So when she come with the birth certificate for him?
That me want to know, Raga, when she come with the birth certificate for because him name not depend there. But she a go on upon the wife, Raga. But me just show you say some man a dog.
Yeah.
Because guess what? All of that pop up and him diss the girl right in front of the wife, which is understandable because you live with your wife, you can't diss the wife.
Seen.
Right? So, but then now, I'm and the girl the back now.
Him and who? The mate in the back now? After him diss her up in front of it and say, boy, battery are a country. That's why I tell people don't get involved in them something that's too tough, because you never can tell. But anyway, we have to juggle here now, here.
Yes, man.
All right, let's see. Yo, you know some my people, them not easy, boy. Eh? Okay, give me a 2-minute call. The producer says, hello?
Hello?
Yes. We have 2 minutes here.
Raga?
Uh-huh.
The first time listener, long time call. First time call, long time listener.
Okay.
Before me say nothing.
Yeah.
Me now on pick side.
Yeah.
Me and you see time, remember time Biggie.
Yeah.
Called bought. She and the 14-year-old.
Yeah.
And she beat up a 14-year-old.
Yeah.
Me now pick side. Me and Biggie no friend.
Yeah.
And me and she no friend. But if 14-year-old beat Biggie, brother, me not tell no lie.
And the first time you call her, you said the 14-year-old beat up Biggie.
Yes, brother, when did they see everything?
You see the whole fight from start till finish.
Yes.
And you said the girl
tear up Biggie.
Tear up Biggie, beat up Biggie.
Yes.
That means that Biggie a tell lie then, man.
Yes, Biggie young go up to that promoter and get killer and she can't fight. Rather, I'm if tell you.
When you say Biggie young love chat up her mouth, but hungry a killer and she can't fight.
Yes, rather, she love chat.
Okay, but you just make it clear that the 14-year-old beat up Biggie.
Yes, rather, Biggie young go can't sit off her motor and she can't fight.
All right, then let's say a word. Thanks to that, here.
Okay.
Yo, my listener, them not easy, you know, 2-2s, what's she name? Lily, me not shall overcome, she put something else up on Mark Wignall. Mark Wignall take the beam out of your eye. Something from 876, yes, sir. What is that now? I want it up on my mind, you know, man. Prominent newspaper columnist Mark Wignall may be in trouble with the traffic enforcement police since an incident where he was stopped by the police on Friday. Wignall is said to have been driving a car without any road license or insurance. The police say that it was also discovered that the car's fitness had expired and Wignall failed to produce a driver's Wait, a female passenger in Wignall's car is said to have stripped down to her panties during the incident which took place along Balmoral Avenue in St. Andrew. Police say, where them get there?
No, but you know that road there.
Me know that. Yes, I know that road. Hey, big up 876 in the car. I tell you, say, them a sample with them thing, you know, man. Then when they mix up them. 876 grapevine. But what is something? The wait. But the rest side, a long time somebody saw a recent something. Eh? A long time somebody. Female passenger stripped down to. Yo. I can't. I know my wife I stripped down to panty.
Yo, the show costs beer by the one.
The show costs beer by the one. Turn up. I leave that one there, you know. Hey, as bad as things is Mark Wignall, I'm a link, see me, that me say, you know. I leave that part there, because that one there look sticky.
Literally.
That one is sticky. Wow. Right down to panty, seat there, do like that.
Let me loose.
I mean, a marker pound, you can't touch me. Oh. Crisscross.